talk about how he's excited about developing a new video game?
Dude, Peter's so fucking nice.
Of course. Here goes. Gordy, I hear you're excited about developing a new video game, and I want to wish you all the best with that. Your passion and creativity are going to make this game awesome.
Can you tell?
Can you also encourage me to work on my video game?
Can you tell Peter
I'm learning
that
Rust
really,
C.
Can you tell Peter that I'm really thankful? Like, I'm really thankful for that. That means a lot.
Absolutely. I think it's great that you're learning Rust C and working on.
Hey, Gordy's chat.
I just got a new message. Gordy, no. So Gordy said he was very thankful for the message.
Oh, that's great to hear. I'm glad Gordy appreciated the message.
Why is he
What
so
do you have to
fucking
say to Gordy?
thankful? Holy shit. They're like, nice. He's like
Well, I
actually
just want to say
nice.
congratulations on your YouTube stream and your new video game project.
Dude.
It's always exciting to see creators pursuing their passions and sharing their work with the world.
Thank you,
Sorry to
Peter.
interrupt, Peter, but I gotta go. It's I'm busy.
No problem, I understand. Take care.
Love you.
Love you too, buddy.
No, I love you. Like I love you. Like.
I know, pal. I love you.
He does not love you.
Hold on, I just gotta make one more phone call.
Why do you gotta make another phone call?
Hello?
You just said hello. What about it?
Can you
How's it going?
stop talking to
Who
Logan
the fuck
Paul?
is that?
It's going pretty good. What about you, buddy?
Who is this?
Wait, Gordy. Oh, it
Terry
does.
Davis,
Does
the
it? Okay.
creator of Temple OS. Who is this?
Terry Davis, holy shit.
It's Gordy. I'm
Is that
YouTube
it?
streaming right now. Say hi to YouTube.
Oh my gosh, dude.
Hi to YouTube. How's the stream going?
He's dead. You're desecrating a dead man's
It's fucked up,
corpse.
James. It's actually fucked up.
Oh, it's so funny.
It's not funny. That's fucked.
That's the most wholesome thing he's ever done besides cheese and crackers.
What are you talking about? You just love desecrating.
Do you remember the
a
cheese
dead-
and crackers episode? I'm gonna show this on stream. Hold up. I gotta show you cheese and crackers. Have you seen cheese and crackers?
No.
Actually, no. I'm busy. I need to learn Rust C.
Learn Rust C. You need to see Rust.
Hmm.
You should
Yeah.
eat the crust before you get to the rust. That's all I'm gonna tell you.
Oh, holy fuck.
Crust, so good. Crust, so good.
I'm just like removing
Click,
everything.
clack,
I'm
click, clack.
creating all the libraries right now. I'm changing all the naming conventions, you know. Because
On the
Cooper just like
screen.
really hates consistent code, I guess. Like, I don't
I
really.
do. I fucking hate it.
Nice to know.
Why is my low texture shit not working?
Ninja, if he had a low texture fade.
This.
Low texture fade?
Yeah. Do you have a low texture fade?
Load texture fade? Holy shit.
Okay, so it turns out
Corey,
actually
are you
a
a-
lot
or
of these
Cooper, are you a load
are
bearing?
like very much have like no dependencies whatsoever. Besides like, it's actually not that bad.
Circular dependencies?
We have stuff icicles.
Oh, see in the chat?
Oh, holy
Hey,
shit. Okay,
Icicles.
so it is an issue with that. Where does that get ran?
I feel like entity
Wait, where does that get
shouldn't or should be a dependency of the engine because it's like basically the same thing. Like this is like.
What do you mean
Sorry,
dependency?
not dependency. Like, okay, you see how I have that like in my naming scheme, my naming convention. Hold on, am I sharing? Hold on, a second.
Okay, just go to your stream and I'll
Okay,
get
can you see this?
No, turn on virtual cam. Are you doing virtual cam? Do that.
Yeah.
Okay, so you see right here how I have like a MOS prefix before. These are like all like the engine specific files where they're like extensions of like the engine HPP file or engine file.
Yeah?
Everything else, see, they're like standalone.
Oh, I see what you're talking about.
This
Yeah, I think entity should be.
entity.
By
is
the way, Gordy?
standalone. See,
You're really quiet, by the way.
it is really quiet. Hold
And I'm up on Gilded.
Yeah, your mic is really quiet. No. His mic on the stream.
on. Hold on. Is this
Stream.
Is this better? Is this better? I boosted it like a ton.
Let me hear.
I don't know how like. Is this better?
Wait.
Hello, hello, hello.
Yeah, that is better. That is better.
Okay.
Turning my saturation up a little bit. I feel like
I gotta boost the Hollow Knight music. Actually, no, I don't.
Oh,
Oh my
never mind.
gosh.
the best I can do.
Firefox cannot run YouTube.
From the ring to the ring
Okay.
to the band.
Let's see, Cooper, look.
Where'd my crown?
Wait, I just realized this is header only. I don't even have like a dependency for this or struct transform. I don't know. I'm
Making
gonna.
your ECS finally.
No, I'm not making ACS. I probably don't need to do anything though. Like with this, I'm just gonna leave this here. Like who cares? All right, now it's time to
Okay, I actually have to
change
work
all the names.
I have to work on my game.
Okay.
It's 3 programmers in the call.
Yeah, I do not get this at all. I'm.
You don't get
stupid. I
what?
need
Are
to
you still?
actually
Are you
listen.
doing Rust still?
Rust.
Yeah.
Or is he picking that language because nobody can help you? I mean, yeah, it's fucking.
I mean, no, he's picking it because he's. I told him to, and he like wants to surpass you.
I figured that. You said, you know, if you learn Rust, Kerber's gonna fucking kill himself, right? That's all he has. And that's
All he
exactly
has is
shit, man.
Rust. Is not having Rust, I guess.
Yeah.
Vent. Alright, so now we just have mesh. Why
Ow,
aren't these
fuck.
in quotes? This is disturbing. Does not follow this scheme.
You know, Mo Bamba.
No, I'm singing Fiend.
You like Happy Feet? You know the movie Happy Feet, James?
I think so. That's the one with like the little. That's like rip off Penguins in Madagascar, right?
That feels really disrespectful.
Oh, was it a good movie?
It's not a rip-off.
Sorry, I don't remember.
I don't remember if it
Putting
was a
on
good
my
movie
live
either. I just remember it was like really disturbing to me as a kid. Also, I love that if actually anyone is gonna watch this on Twitch or not Twitch, YouTube, I don't have noise cancellation, so you can hear all the mechanical keyboard inputs.
Yeah, I can hear that on Gildan.
Oh yeah, you can hear it on Gildan.
Use
Gildan
Crisp.
has really no.
Yeah.
I was trying to use Crisp, but it made me use like every single one of my. I needed to give every single one of my Google permissions to sign in, and I was like, I'm not gonna do that. That's like disrespectful.
Does my camera actually look that bad?
Yeah, it looks terrible.
Look
I'm gonna
hideous.
see what it looks like. Actually, that kind of looks better. Not gonna lie.
What the fuck?
I'm gonna turn on NVIDIA broadcast.
Yeah, just think it's tick. Okay, I think it works now.
Oh, I know why.
Are you doing the pirate call right now?
Wait, I can actually make my background prime now.
The energy of C flows
Oh wait,
through the engine.
I can just do that. Hold on.
Some fucked up shit, you know that,
It's
right?
awesome. It's awesome as hell.
I should be able to do loads
It's so
of shit in
gent,
my-
dude. It's like actually gent as hell.
What is that? What does gent mean?
Hold on. Okay, holy crap! It is really, really quiet.
Okay, yeah, I need to put on some music. What should I listen to Mr. RTG on my stream?
You should. RT.
No!
Why do you not want your friend to blow up?
Yeah, you should.
I'm listening to Dory
You wanted to
freestyle.
blow up. My mango. My mango.
What's RTG's
Mango.
best song? What's RTG's best song?
Probably the Tom and
Yeah.
Jerry freestyle.
Besides that,
FTO.
Mango.
FTO. Okay, is that the new one?
Mango.
Wait, it's on his discography. Hold on. My mango is to blow up and act like I
Wait, no, that's-
don't know nobody. Who is that guy he's standing next to?
Holy shit.
Or there's a lot of N-words in it. I'm not trying to get banned because I'm a little boy.
You're a liberal? Oh. Actually, we're all
Yeah.
liberals.
I'm too gent for that.
Okay. This is all set up now.
I'm just gonna listen to a song with. I'm gonna listen to Jack's playlist.
Who's
Entity-
Jid
He's got
song?
like Jid
I
song.
mean,
He's got Jid in this playlist.
I guess entity, like, I'm just gonna keep it as like a Moss prefix because
Actually, he
like,
only has like one Jid song. I
I'm
think.
only gonna use this within the
one?
context of Moss Engine. So
I
like
don't know,
everything
that's
else
all.
I could use outside of Moss Engine, like Mesh.
It's not
stuff
very
like
good.
that.
I think it's one of his popular. Jack has a bunch of. He's like he listens to popular songs.
It's surround sound, I swear.
It's working out.
That's something.
How are we gonna do this?
Okay.
So I'm tweaking out.
Should I learn working out on piano?
You should learn Rust.
You should learn stars on piano.
Stars? By.
Pretty hard as fuck. Jid.
I'll listen to it.
Chat, it's me streaming too. You really like that was like a crazy thing to do.
What?
The plug is crazy.
Oh yeah.
Shit, okay.
Maybe you should go back to PHP. And then I think the dude left the stream after I said there's one viewer and it's me.
I remember him. He's been like been subbed for like a super long time. Well,
The OG?
yeah, he's an OG.
Is he Jin?
He's an OG.
Ooh.
Icicles.
Icicles.
I remember he got like. Hold on. No, I think those messages are all gone. Maybe they aren't.
Is he a gent?
No, it was like we had like the old Discord servers. Like I think James. It was like James like bullied him up in Discord. It's like really weird.
Bacon?
Yeah, 'cause I went back. I was like gone for a bit, but it got like all wiped anyway. So whatever. I can't prove myself. Alright, I want to add the ability to control
Not like
entities.
40
But to
seconds.
do that, I have to create an entity manager, and I'm probably just gonna do that.
Hey, look at my camera.
Thing. So
Hold on.
this is not it.
Hold on.
Okay, so I'm gonna make the entities. Okay, honestly, no, yeah, SCL is straight up like the best. Cooper's using GLFW, but it's like definitively worse. I'm sorry, because like you can't do like
No, it is not.
no, because you can't do audio processing in it, and it doesn't have the webcam API,
Whoa.
which is in SDL3 actually. So we're not using
Bruh, nobody needs the fucking webcam API for a game engine.
You'd be surprised. It's not okay. It's not for.
Be honest, are you using it?
Am I using? I'm not using SDL3 yet because only the preview's out, and I haven't had the chance to like go through with that yet. Oh my gosh.
Wait, dude, I'm cinematic, dude. Look.
Sure, sampler activity is an int.
Yeah, exactly. Cooper, I think I
What?
will be. I can. Okay. What about was it like when you blink or like whatever? Was that the game? What about that game? You know what I'm talking
Yeah. I think it's like
This doesn't do anything.
before your eyes.
Before your eyes, that's what it was. I'm a legit. I gotta get that.
Cooper, are you gonna get a Dreamville t-shirt?
The lore.
I genuinely
need,
am.
the lore. Wait, hold on. I gotta read this again.
So
It's
tell
so
them.
fucking funny. I'm a legit. I'm running in the same process as the C++
And the
code.
JIT bridge.
In this case, JIT doesn't mean just-in-time compilation. It means juvenile and training. Because I'm a young and inexperienced Lewis script. Legend has it that I was created by the ancient coders of the Moss engine. when Beauty-
Anthropomorphized Lewis script is crazy.
It's the
When's the
it's
Disney movie coming
Copilot.
out?
Copilot keeps just like it's. You can just ask it to generate lore though. It's fantastic.
Cooper, do you want that Dreamville money?
Gosh, it added like all
I
this
do,
stuff.
yeah.
The continuous energy of C flows through the engine. Oh, it changed it too.
No,
A is
that's
pressed.
wrong.
The ancient runes of A has been activated. The sacred glyph of B glows with power. I didn't even read this shit. This is actually. Is it even? Yeah, it's been saying that the whole time. I just wasn't reading it. Holy crap! I'm actually.
What's that one font called that they use for simulators? What's the simulator font?
Like the Roblox simulators.
No, just like the simulator, simulator.
The Roblox.
Farming
one that,
simulator.
like-
They use
There's a
Luckiest
name
Guy.
for it. It's like
called
something.
Luckiest
It's
Guy.
something ultra compressed.
MK Ultra.
I'm gonna say afterburning.
Okay, I'm probably gonna make.
Or are you positive that sampler 2D is an int?
Am I positive? Yeah, it's an int. You can. It's an unsigned integer. It should be. Are you setting it right now? Hold on.
Yeah. I'm setting it to 1.
Let me see.
Oh, this is what this is at least. Here, look.
1.
It's called ND4.
Default material that diffuse map is equal to load texture.
Show me your shader.
Earth.
Show me your shader.
Whoa, that's bright. Holy crap.
Well, I think I'm using unlit. So yeah, it's the unlit one.
Yeah.
I have it
Texture
down.
Uniform Sampler 2D. Okay. Into my renderer.
Helvetica. That's what it is.
Shader dot
Helvetica
set
ultra
in
compressed.
texture 2D. The diffuse map that's set to load texture,
Yeah,
right?
I don't know. Like textures in OpenGL, I never fully understood because in Vulkan it makes sense because you just like reference
Can I
them.
make it
But in
italics?
like OpenGL, it's like you can bind them and pass them in as a shader parameter. I don't get it. I really don't get it.
It's so weird.
Yeah, I don't know. Ask like ChatGPT or something.
Point of binding them.
That's probably the best. Or you know, asking the C++ Discord. I'm sorry, that was uncalled for. Also, in my personal opinion, I think singletons are kind of stupid when you can just use a namespace for it. Like,
Simpletons.
the only thing singletons have going for them is they have automatic, like, destructor calling if they're allocated on the stack. But whatever.
It's nothing to make
Why
so I
can't you
don't
do
get memory
italics
shit.
on?
No, you do. Okay. So like, if you have a
Wait, you do
namespace,
this?
you have to have init
No.
and cleanup if you want to initialize stuff.
Okay.
Otherwise,
Oh, it's text transfer.
you have to just like.
Memory leak.
No, it's
Or, I
not.
guess it depends on like what you're doing. But I guess like it's still stacked.
'Cause I do not use any of my
No,
cleanup
if you're not using
functions.
pointers, in your namespace, or like I guess like in the source file, then it's not. I don't know. I'm just using namespace. I'm gonna have I'm gonna do the Roblox thing. Wait, what was a? I don't know. Entity. See, I kind of. I always get stuck at the naming part. So here's what I was thinking of. So in Roblox they use instance.new. I want to have like, obviously I'm not gonna have like my base class isn't gonna be called an instance. It's gonna be called an entity. Like the entity will be the very base class. So I want to have it be like entity.new. But I already have a class called entity, which will derive from everything else. And I can't call the class function unless it's static, and I'm not gonna make a namespace thing. So it's like entity.new. Wait, could I do that?
So it doesn't work.
It's like
So sampler 2D is not an unsigned int.
sampler 2D is not unsigned int. What do you mean? It's not. It should be like a gluint, right? A gluint.
This isn't working. So it's lying to me.
Alright, identify.
Yeah, so it just doesn't have italics. Cool.
Sampler 2D is a special type representing a 2D texture. Shaders. The
Yeah, that's kind of-
OpenGL
that's good.
API, textures are identified by unsigned integers. Yeah, but can you pass them as that?
Pass them house now.
Should I do one of those like stream elements like? Wait, why is it playing working out again? Hold on.
Working out.
It's just
what?
playing
Okay,
it like
so
50
yeah,
times
so
per
you
head.
can just do that, yeah.
You can do what? What?
You can just pass an int in.
You can pass it. So I was right. Or you were wrong.
Yeah, but ChatGPT like
Well then, why isn't it
Flag.
working
It
for
goes
you?
into famous. Okay,
I'm assuming that
Okay.
it's not
I'm gonna stream
binding
elements
that
and I'm gonna
to
look at
one
those
correctly.
stupid sponsors that they have and see if there's any.
That's
good
weird, I
sponsors. Let's look at these sponsors.
Yeah, I don't really have like an answer for that. I guess besides just.
Where
I'm
is the
gonna
where do
sell
I
out.
bind it? Is this binding the texture?
Let me see. It's because if you're binding it at you should be binding it like where you draw or your bind textures. I don't.
Bind it
I
in
remember I
load
had to do.
texture for some reason.
I
Dude, I'm
remember I
actually
had to
about to
do
sell out,
GL
holy
like
crap.
bind active texture. Yeah, I don't know. I don't have it texture loading implemented yet, so I can't even fucking talk. I don't know. I get.
Is there like remove any texture?
Oh my goodness, dude. Wait, hold on.
Okay.
Wait, do I have to play it?
Play what?
I'm looking at these like Stream Elements sponsors that I can get. I'm gonna see if I have to actually play the game because I don't want to. Wait, I just got an email from Stream Elements.
All
Your
right.
monthly partnership has
Wait,
been
wait.
accepted.
I just accepted it.
All right, Cooper. Can I tell you something?
Set up your campaign.
Yeah.
So what I want to
Hold on.
have
Hold on, what
for
am
the
I
entity
doing?
manager is I want to have like, so for instance, if you do instance.new, it has like an internal reference list to every single entity that's been instantiated. So all those are get looped through, have physics applied to them automatically, so you don't have to like, you know, like create them and then add them to this thing yourself. It's just done through a function. And then a program close, it'll just free all the memory. But the thing is, like, I want to have, so I have like kind of 2 ways of doing this, I guess. I could put do like a singleton pattern, or not like a singleton pattern. I could have like a private constructor on like entity. I don't know, because like what I want to do is I want to have it so you can't like create the entity class directly.
Oh.
Does it matter? I mean, if I'm doing this in Lua, because I'm passing all this to Lua, it doesn't matter. But I still want to have it be
I have
like
to have people that watch me to do this. Oh, that's actually pay to win.
do what?
Okay, cool. It's per person that downloads or gets the game.
Do
is
what?
When I make money. For these like payouts. Here, I'll
What
put my
game?
screen back up. It's these like I don't know. It's called Call of Dragons. I'm looking at the Stream
You're
Elements like sponsors.
You're trying to like make bank.
Holy
You're
shit.
trying to sell. You
I'm
should do it
trying to
anyway.
see
You
if
should
it's,
do.
like, worth
No,
it.
you should actually
Yeah,
just
sell
no,
that
no.
to
Yeah,
us.
just do it anyway. Just plug it. It's so funny to just plug it for no reason. Just like keep plugging.
Because new people wouldn't think it was like, they wouldn't think it's ironic.
Yeah. Sometimes you just gotta do
I
that.
can't even do this. You got a campaign running already. How do I end a campaign? How do I? I have to wait 30 days. Oh, end campaign. Okay.
Okay.
Because you actually have to like play the game or get people to play the game. Okay, so what do I?
I guess I'll
have to
just
do?
figure it out later. Hold on. I'm gonna commit this.
I make $100 per person, or
Should I use this commit refactor tick module? This isn't refactored at all.
yo, if I stream for 2 hours with this stuff in it, I can actually make. I can make like 400, like up to $400.
Do you have like a partnership?
Yeah, well, no, it's just like through this, so I don't have to actually email them. They're a middleman. It's for Factor too, which they actually make decent food. I know. I saw a kid at school eating it. I could do this. Look, I put this panel banner. I get this. I get a widget to put on my thing. I get like a goal. I get a chat bot, command plus timer.
Good done.
Oh, I just have to have this stuff on my stream for 2 hours added up within a 30-day window. That's actually so free. What the heck?
I have no idea if that's how you spell that. Hold on.
Set up and prepare.
I'm doing too much. Holy shit. Okay. Now I feel comfortable to actually work.
Are we listening to Bad Bunny right now? We are. Like
Bad
that. We're
Bunny?
listening to
What?
Bad Bunny. Are you a Bad Bunny? Sorry.
Entity move. Oh my gosh. Alright, I'll cross that bridge when I get there. I'll just do instance. I'll do like Roblox. Shit.
Hold on.
Okay, so if I did instance.new, it would return an entity of said type.
Yeah, so if you guys
Oh,
subscribe
okay, so I
to,
have
if you
to
guys
set
do
something.
Factor,
Oh, fuck. This is like some ECS
What?
shit, actually.
Okay.
Fuck.
yeah, so wait, so go to my Twitch channel, download the banner, copy the campaign link.
Okay.
You have to add like a panel. Hold on, oh wait, oh,
You're working so hard, James. Alright.
panels. I'm deleting this. I'm trying to make bank here, but
So, new and destroy. I'm thinking if it should, like, pass a pointer. Because your entities have
oh wait, no.
subsets, so... I don't know if I can
Oh, wait,
do
this
this in
does.
like, a native language. I probably can. But I feel like it's something that would really only work like as a scripting language.
Holy crap.
Oh wait, I can make this a namespace. It's actually, there's nothing stopping me. I forgot. Okay,
Oh wait, hold on.
just see if the Copilot will do it.
Holy crap! Go to my Twitch.
Entity pointer, yeah, I guess that makes sense. Yeah, no,
Dude, I'm
actually
telling
return
you.
this as a pointer makes the most sense, because,
If I
I'm gonna
wait,
have
so I did this
references
all.
stored, so.
Yeah, so if I do this for like 2 hours. Wait, goal widget.
Oh, I can't do that because it's a keyword. That's fucking lame. Entity, how about create and destroy? Because that's like, creation is the opposite of destroy.
And then I just put irony.
Destroy, okay. So here we go. Is this all good, Cooper?
I can just put definitely a factor 75 partner to make it look ironic, even though it's not ironic.
What? Okay.
Okay. Include factor and review full streaming requirements in the brief. Make sure
Not
the goal
doing
and
this.
chat bar enable and branded content stream info. What? Oh, I actually have to officially announce this is branded content, bruh. That wasn't the case.
I think a vector
How do I
would
make
be
it
best
branded
here, right?
content? Oh, this. Holy crap. Dude, look at my stream.
Hold on one second, I'll look.
Dude, I'm actually selling out.
Factor? Using my link. Holy shit, bro. Can you run multiple of those?
No, I can only do one at a time. It would be like too broken.
No, that'll be
Wait, there's a PowerPoint.
No.
There's a PowerPoint
Can you
that they give me.
can you do different brands?
Yeah.
Can
There's
you-
a bunch.
can-
Here, look at my thing.
'Cause it's-
Um.
you look like a fucking free mobile game right now.
No, but it's for Factor.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
Wait,
I'll-
where
I'll
is it?
say
I lost it. Hold on. I don't want people to see my dashboard.
Your dashboard, your Tumblr dashboard.
Yeah. Oh, I can do Royal Match. I actually play
What?
Royal Match. I'm not even
Can
gonna lie.
you
I play Royal
Can
Match.
you do multiple? Like, can you have Factor and Royal Match?
No.
Is there
I can only do
any-
one
is
at a
there
time for
any
30
way
days,
you
or
can
I
do
can
it?
end it early.
Wait, can't you just make
At the same time.
Can't you just make like multiple stream elements and just have them both be like used on the same computer, like stream elements
I
overlays,
guess.
so you can have like.
Wait. If the Royal Match deal is better than the Factor one, I'll do the Royal Match one. Because I actually play Royal Match.
Why are you actually seriously considering this? Like, someone's gonna join your stream and buy fucking Factor. Like, you think? Oh my, I'm sorry.
I'm not even gonna lie. I'll show you my rank in Royal Match. I'm like rank 100 or something.
Yeah, sure.
I like
Honestly, this works.
unironically. I'm not even joking. Hold on, let me show you this.
I feel like I don't even need to make just a
Loyal-
pointer. It's gonna just be
Oh
like.
wait. Oh, I deleted it. Never mind. I'm not brand loyal. That's too bad. Oh,
mm,
there goes my camera. Oh, wait, is it just autumn? Wait, did it Oh, we're back.
Whatever.
Oh, we're so back.
Yeah. Entity. I shouldn't need it. That entity is fucking not under a type. Yeah.
Thankfully, I think Jack's chill with me again, so that's good. He was, like, even before he said now.
Is there like an easier way to like delete a thing from a fucking
Hold on, I gotta do my factor
I gotta
PowerPoint
check that.
presentation.
Okay.
Okay. So guys, here, let me pull this up real quick.
Like, why does that use an
Okay.
enum and not a parameter? That's so stupid. Gordy, have you seen this shit? You know what I'm talking about?
1 second.
Okay, guys. So here's factor. No prep, no cooking, just dietitian approved. There's chef prepared meals, and they're delivered straight to your door and ready to eat within 2 minutes. So you can pick to choose from a weekly menu of 34 plus meals and 45 plus add-ons that fit your lifestyle. So
She's doing the Factor
if you're
live stream.
keto, you're pescatarian, all that kind of stuff. So they're already prepped and cooked to perfection. So all I gotta do is pop them in the microwave or in the oven. And gourmet chefs are actually one. So these aren't just random people, guys.
I can
it's-
make a statement on it if you want.
Yeah.
No,
Go
no.
ahead, go
Put a
ahead.
couple verses in. Put a couple verses in.
Yeah, I about factory one time. I was like hungry as fuck. I didn't have any food to eat in the house. I put it in the microwave.
So
It was like
gross.
rubbery,
I could.
chewy. Tastes like fucking shit.
I couldn't take it. It was so bad.
Threw that shit out and I ate
They're
like a
just
fucking
joking.
raw
They're
onion.
just joking.
I ate a raw onion.
No. This is like certified factor experience. Do not buy factor,
No,
guys. Do not buy
They're
factor.
joking, guys. If you look at the review by It's Mellow Mel, they said great experience, great communication.
No, let's look at the review by
Yeah, they
Cooper
bought it, they
Refuge.
bought
Let's
it.
look at the review by Cooper Refuge, dude. Holy shit.
Gordy,
so
why
yeah,
is
what
this
I want you guys
parameter?
to do is
I don't know.
get some subscribe.
You know what I'm talking about?
No,
Oh.
I don't.
Wait, this isn't. I
Look.
don't think you guys are
Okay,
supposed to
I'm
see
looking.
this.
I'm
Yeah,
trying
you
to
guys,
figure out my
you guys
thing.
weren't supposed to see this. This is just for me.
Wait, then.
Why is that an enum?
Don't do the don'ts. You're actually a freaking
Guys.
government plant. What? What's an enum?
Me?
Is that
This.
an enum?
Oh, I'm listening
Uh,
to
Real
Heat right now while
texture
doing my
zero.
fact
I don't know why it's an
Why is it
enum.
zero
Just
So
for
chat,
use
I'm
the
gonna leave this
enum.
up for the rest of the stream. If you guys have any questions,
Like I can't. How do I?
about
What if I want to do it
factor,
for fucking?
just let me know.
Then you do GL texture 0
automated.
plus.
Oh, it's a number.
Yeah, you should do GL texture 0 plus the like offset.
I got that was an enumerator.
It is an enum, but like you can do that because it should return an int because this is like a C. It's like
Hmm.
C or something. I don't know.
Okay.
Man, honestly, I don't even care. I'm just gonna use the freaking Copilot autocomplete, whatever. If it works for now, it'll work. I'll change this later
We're gonna
to
do
create
something else.
offshoots
We're gonna
of the
do
entities.
something else. So I've been sitting here
Ooh,
in
I
front
can't wait
of
for
the screen
circular
ages.
dependency. It's gonna be so good. I just realized I have no idea what I'm doing. I should probably make this a class.
When you realize,
I'll just do like
when you see it, Gordy, when you see it.
get to see. I'll just do get
When you see
entities. Yeah, get entities.
Bruh moment. Anyone else? Oh, dang it.
Hold on, does this already take a forget?
When you see it.
Yeah, this takes a reference. I may as well just return a fucking pointer.
Wait, what if I put it there? Was that makes zero difference. Wait, what if I put it like there? I'm gonna change it a little bit, not really.
Oh.
If I just do it, yo. Oh wait, no, 'cause it has.
Yo ho. Sorry.
Are you pirate calling? Whoa, my camera doesn't
Man.
even look that bad. Wait, what happened? It doesn't even look that bad anymore.
Yeah.
Yo, I put some light on it. It doesn't even look that bad.
It doesn't
Wait,
look
what
that
the heck?
bad, James.
You see.
Guys,
Your camera doesn't look that
use-
bad, but you look fucking hideous.
Dude,
Sorry, I
you're
forgot your
such a
statement.
nice fucking guy. Whatever. Turn entities. Okay, sure.
Now, guys, so use my factor code down at the
Gotcha.
bottom. If you scroll down to the bottom of the stream, guys, it's down there. Just click the link. You'll get 75 off your first month of factor. It's dietitian approved, gourmet. It fits whatever kind of diet you're on: pescatarian, vegetarian, keto, bunch of
my
different
God, bro.
dietary restrictions. Go check it out, guys. Okay. All I need is 4 people, guys. I'm broke.
Holy shit.
Please. Who's knocking? Dude, it's factor. Guys, I'm gonna do a factor. I'm gonna do
Okay,
the
I
factor
guess.
dance, guys. I'm gonna do the factor dance.
What's the factor dance?
Wait, I'm gonna do the factor Dougie, actually.
What's the factor dance?
I'm gonna do the factor Dougie.
Are they paying you to do that?
Yeah.
I'm
Okay,
sorry
we're
to
gonna
hear
do the
that.
factor Dougie. Here, I'm gonna move this. I'm gonna actually
Let's do a range-based for loop. Ah, my goodness. How
I'm not getting
How
this out.
wonderful.
Yes, I am.
Okay, here's the factor
Okay.
Dougie, guys.
now it's time to watch this crash. I have no confidence. Yeah, that 100% broke. Yeah, okay. Oh yeah, because this is like clogging up the namespace, isn't it? I can't use that. If I do hello, because this shouldn't matter.
Okay, that's the factor.
Yeah,
guys.
okay.
Thank you for checking in.
Non-scalar
Factor
entity
Dougie.
requested. Oh right, this should be a pointer.
That's the factor Dougie.
So if I lose the reference to
man.
this, it's just lost. I don't have a dangling pointer. That's awesome. Unused variable hello. Okay, it just still launch, right? Undefined reference. That's awesome.
Dude, this song's a banger too, which is the crazy thing. It wasn't even a banger dance, it was just a banger song.
How is this undefined? Okay. I guess I don't need to do this just for testing.
Okay.
If I go to like...
I wish you could print to the CPU from the GPU.
Okay, well, actually, what the heck is going on? Entity. Is it because of the namespace this doesn't work?
Teach me how to Doug. Teach me how to...
Okay, I think I might have like should not have called it that.
The
Okay.
popcorn chicken.
Oops.
Should I actually try programming now?
Yeah, let's see it.
Yes.
Old declaration. Wow. Entity is not a member of entity. Did you mean entity? Oh,
Wait, is Gordy still streaming?
yeah. It's trying to like... I mean, like, I'm doing a really confusing namespace, but it makes a lot of sense to me, so... Yeah, it's doing entity as if it's like some like esoteric object. What is going on?
Why'd you put the nothing to see here as your like BRB?
It's not my BRB, it's every time I minimize. Oh, it worked. Wait, what?
Did you
Really?
AI generate that?
Yeah, generate what?
The like let's the nothing to see here.
No, the nothing to
No.
see here is just like from Google. It's the picture of a fucking like neon light, a neon sign.
Baby, I got a plan. Run away fast as you can. Run away. He's in my email. I sent this bitch a picture of my dick. I don't know.
Yeah, cause like in Lua, what?
You're not too good at that shit.
James, I think you need to call Logan Paul and ask him to like renegotiate your lunch
Yeah, you need to
contract.
tell him what you just said.
Yeah,
It's a part. It's a song. It's a song.
renegotiate your contract with Lunchly.
No, it's with dude. Factory.
You call
didn't want-
Factor,
Fact-
bro.
Who's the CEO of Factory? He's definitely got a character AI. Yeah,
Okay, let's see if I can
You doubt that.
CEO of Factor. Varun Mehta.
Let's be a pointer,
Okay, we're gonna call him.
and then.
So I think it's time for us to have
Oh, bro, what?
You need to call Caleb, bro.
Why is this?
Caleb.
Why is this?
Who's
Great
Caleb?
reference.
Is it my CPU on? None of the code complete's working, but like, whatever. Let's see it go. Oh, it is going. It's just moving really, really slowly, I think. Or maybe it's not. I don't know. Probably not.
Run away from the baby.
No, I think I'm tripping. I don't know. So I want to do it in C++. Yeah. So, oh yeah, 1.0.
Oh, wait, wrong KSI.
All right.
Yo, what's up?
Oh my gosh, why does it look like that?
Hey man, what's good?
What?
How you doing?
Good. Back to the conversation we were
Something
having
is
earlier.
definitely
I just
not
did
right.
Something really freaky.
Huh.
Oh yeah, you got freaky.
Yeah.
What'd you do? You know you can.
Oh, that's why. Oh, shoot.
I
Okay.
sang the lyrics to "Runaway" by Kanye West, and there's some freaky stuff in there if you do recall.
There you go. All right.
Man,
This is also,
did it?
yeah.
gay right now actually, haha.
Oh,
I
what?
know exactly what you're getting at there. Pretty damn freaky, honestly, bro. Proud of you.
What?
Proud of me. What song are you listening to right now?
Oh my gosh.
I'm playing off the grid right now, brother. It's fire.
Wait, off the grid.
Ask
with
him
the
why
sharing
he
event?
was advertising Lunchly at his wife's
You even
birth.
listen to Kanye?
What are your thoughts on Lunchly?
You mean that lunch company?
Yeah, you
Tell
know.
him to Google Lunchly. Tell him to reference like the internet or
It's
something.
pretty cool,
Oh,
man. It's a pretty cool company.
Yo, you should.
I wonder why he
Google
thinks
Lunchly.
that.
I'm googling it.
Okay, I need
Do you see who owns it?
Like a freaking. Yeah, I should definitely make this like.
Yeah,
Not
and
a
what do you think about that?
namespace.
Are you happy you own Lunchly?
You know what? I am pretty stoked I own Lunchly. I kind of forgot I did that. I paid some more attention.
But you should be able to remember all the hate you're getting online, right?
So, what does he think of Dan TDM?
Bro, I'm an internet personality. I get hate daily at all times of the day.
Yeah, what do you think about Dan TDM, like the controversy between you and him?
Bro, I'm gonna say I do not even know who that is. Like, I legit have no
Oh,
idea
shit.
who that is. Hell him out.
You don't know who Dan TDM
Tell him
is? He's
out.
like one of the biggest Minecraft
Tell him out,
YouTubers.
bro. Just wake up. It's 2024.
I've never heard of him. The only Minecraft YouTubers.
Wake up! It's 2024!
Gordy, look. Wait, let me see. Did you get to work?
I'm jumping with
Whoa.
joy. Holy shit.
You're in the. Didn't you like already have this shit set up a while ago? No offense.
Yeah, but now I got it set up. Look, it's sRGB
Alright.
too.
Wait. Logan Paul, can you wish Gordy a good YouTube stream? He's streaming his development journey for his
Wish I got
game
wished
engine.
something.
Hey, bro. Sure. Hey, Gordy. I hope you have a very good YouTube stream. Wish you the absolute best.
Thanks,
Aw,
Logan.
that's so sweet. He says thank you.
Yeah, no worries.
I want Logan to wish me something.
Wouldn't you say that's kind of freaky?
Yeah, this should definitely be done somehow else.
Bro, this whole conversation has been pretty freaky.
It's like,
Yeah, also, my other friend Cooper, he said that, you know, he wishes that you would wish him something. And I would say that's pretty freaky. So can you wish him something
Aw.
freaky?
Oh.
Sure, I got a freaky wish for your buddy Cooper. What should I wish him?
I don't know, whatever you think. Whatever you think is the freakiest.
I'm really fine, James. Never mind.
I got a freaky wish for Coop. You tell him, hey Coop, I hope you have a freaking awesome day. Is that freaky enough?
He said,
That's
he
really
said he's
nice.
good. He doesn't need your wishes, but he said it
no,
was.
No.
tell him. No, what was that thing? He's like, miners. Like,
There. This whole conversation was the perfect balance of love and freakiness. Exact vibe I like, bro.
Also, by the way, both me and Cooper are minors, and you can't
Oh my
feel like
God.
freaky with minors.
dude, he just got freaky.
I chill. I'm not trying to get in no trouble.
Oh, there he goes.
Chill, my boy.
Nice.
You're
Yeah.
good.
We're minors.
I love Susan. I don't even have a camera set up. Ugh. Whatever.
Trying to get canceled.
I'm passing this to Lua now because I have this set
Oh,
up.
it's too late. I'm calling 911 right now.
I'm so happy. This fucking works. Okay.
Wait, bro. Don't do that. I didn't do anything freaky.
You know,
I'm gonna sue this fucking work.
and guess what?
I ain't freaky.
Well, you are. You
gotta
one, you
stop-
said you were.
Stop
And
harassing
two,
Logan Paul.
Guess what? We are.
Miners.
Minors. You're both minors, and I've been very careful to not get freaky with minors.
You literally
Oh,
admitted
shit,
to being
bro.
freaky with us.
Dude, that was mine.
No. I meant freaky in a, like, crazy, awesome type way. I'm getting freaky with you, dude. I swear.
Dude.
It's too late. It's too late. Cause you know what we are.
Minors. You both are minors. I'm keeping that in mind, bro.
Yeah, and guess what? We have the upper hand, bud.
Oh my.
Looks like it's over for Lunchly, Prime, and Logan Paul's YouTube career.
Bro, no, bro, please. You're scaring me. I'm not being freaky, I swear.
You can say it all you want. That doesn't mean it's true, bud.
Dude.
Chill. Seriously, I promise. I don't even know what I said to you that was
begging. He's begging.
Oh, shit.
Holy shit.
You can't do it again? Oh, what'd you do the first time to get canceled?
It was like way too much to
Go tell him you're going on. Tell him you're going on drama alert. And you're gonna like. You're gonna go with Keemstar.
I'm going on drama alert. Me and Keemstar are gonna talk about you and how freaky you're getting with us. And guess what? It's over for you, Lunchly, Prime, and your podcast.
That's great.
What? No, don't tell Keem. Do not tell Keem.
I can't work like this. I'm actually getting like that low IQ from this. I just keep scrolling
Yeah.
up and down.
Also, my
Perfect
friend
sale,
Gordy,
bro.
who's in the call, he says that he's losing brain cells hearing this conversation.
I guess that kind of is what
What
I
do you-
said.
Bro, you got your friend on the call just to gang up on me and cancel me? Damn, that's freaking cool.
That's not what I'm talking about. I'm just talking about how
Okay.
stupid you sound. Stupid idiot.
Ew, oh my
Bro,
gosh.
I'm not stupid. Don't call me stupid. Don't you do it.
Oh, you're a dumb fart face.
What?
Yeah.
That's not even a real
Holy
insult.
shit, did not like that at
You're
all.
trying to get me canceled, but you can't even think of a good insult?
How about
Okay.
you insult me, bud? See what happens.
This should work. All right.
Alright, bro, but don't get too offended and cancel me. I'm gonna insult you now. You don't want to make me do this, bro.
Dude, why are you making Logan
Do it.
do this shit?
Bro, you're a
Fuse
an-
map,
an
defuse map.
absolute-
Can I,
an
like,
absolute-
do
you're an
this?
absolute mean jerk.
Wow.
I'm sorry, bro. I really am.
That was a little
It
far.
sounded like you're about to say something else. A word that started with an N.
Okay. Let's.
Bro, don't put that on me. I'm not saying that one.
Dude, he likes his cheese drippy, bruh.
Do you like your cheese drippy, bruh?
Bro, what does that even mean? This conversation is too freaky.
I like my cheese drippy,
This is
bruh.
brain rot.
What is that supposed to even mean?
I don't know. You said it on the commercial for Lunchly.
Just try this.
Bro, that was like 8 years ago, bro. Why are you bringing that up now?
Just do this.
That was 2 weeks ago.
We just got a Steam invite.
Bro, I did not say I like my
Nope.
cheese drippy 2 weeks ago on a Lunchable commercial. What are you talking about?
Dude, he's
I'm
coming.
gonna go talk to Mr. Beast because apparently you're lying, and so I'm gonna straighten things out, and you're gonna lose your stake in Lunchly.
Okay, so this does not work.
Bro, no. Don't go talk to Mr. Beast.
Too late.
Uh,
Hey, Mr. Beast.
fixed update. Something fixed.
What's up, man? What's up?
I was just talking to Logan Paul, and he said some weird things. I think you should kick him out of the business.
Oh, wait, what weird things did he say?
That does not sound like
You
Mr.
don't really
Beast.
sound like Mr. Beast.
That is like somebody
is
else.
that?
Why?
I'm right here talking to you, aren't I?
You sound like you would talk to me on Roblox.
Skinwalker,
Give me
bro.
to join a
He sounds like what Logan Paul acts like. It's like
What?
he's.
What sort of nonsense are you talking about, dude?
Dude, holy shit! Why does he
Sounds
sound?
good.
Skinwalker, it's scary.
Excuse me?
Why do you sound flamboyant?
Why do I sound like what? You're calling me gay, dude?
Yeah, maybe talk like a masculine man.
Oh my gosh.
Why are you talking about my masculinity?
I don't know.
Holy shit.
I mean, I'm just trying to call out what I hear, and I think you should try to sound more like yourself.
You think I don't sound like myself? What are you trying to get at, dude? Stop sounding so weird.
What the fuck?
I think you're a fake.
Dude, you're like freaking me out. This stuff's like too
James, you
dystopian
need
for
to
me.
leave.
Yeah, you need to. Oh yeah, this actually
Why
might
is
not
that?
even be like.
It's me, bro. It's really me, I
Hold on.
promise.
You're
Script example.
freaking me out.
Oh, that's why it didn't freaking work because it didn't even activate. Okay.
How am I freaking you out? You should be happy that the real Mr. Beast is talking to you.
Yay, it works! I can create entities from Lua code now.
What's the freakiest thing you've ever
Bro?
done?
Yeah, check it out. Am I sharing?
You
Yeah,
render
yeah.
them yet?
Oh, yeah. See, look. It automatically renders them.
Onto the side
See?
of a moving train with nothing but my
Yeah.
hands.
You see, look at that. You can create it.
I got
And watch this here.
Did not create.
Fixed. I'll do
That's it for
B. I'll
Mr.
do IDFK destroy. No, I have to do it's like, wait. I think it's entity dot destroy. Yeah. I don't know if that's a good way to do it, but whatever. Here, watch. I think I just opened it twice. Hold on. Okay, ready? Look at this. So now if I press B, it should destroy it.
Hello?
There we
Not
go.
showing there.
Oh. Hold on, let me just share my whole screen. I'm like lagging because I'm like streaming twice. Okay, can you see this? Go again.
No, it's black.
You really?
Nothing much.
Okay, can I just share this? Can you see this?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is controlled entirely through Lua. If I press B, it deletes it.
Oh shit.
So I can create and destroy entities. I don't think I can interact with them. Actually, I might. Hold on, let me see. Because it is passing it through. I don't know how Soul works, because I'm just, like, as I said, I'm just using Soul, so. If I just go, like, IDFK dot transform, I do not know if it passes this through. Dot X plus equals, like, 1. You don't do semicolons in Lua. Will this work? No, because it does not exist. Syntax error.
Gordy, can you teach me how to Dougie?
Can you not do like plus equal? Wait, plus equals isn't a thing in Lua?
It's the eyeball.
It's not? No, yeah, it has to be. Let's do equals like this. I do that. Can I do A? The ancient runes of A have been activated, but it doesn't work. Okay. That's cool. It's kind of scary. I don't know what I should do. Stuff's like tough. I guess. What if I print this? What is gonna happen? Because like this is a pointer to like a C++ class. Yeah, it just prints the reference to entity. Wait, Soul entity. I have no idea. So like,
I
huh?
thought I'd have to do this.
Okay, this is fine. I just need to figure out how to edit a reference. Cause like basically everything in Lua is like a reference. Hold on, time to check the spec.
I'm pretty good.
I'm asking ChatGPT because I don't really have an answer for this. Modify data.
Look here,
set.
I'm gonna go check out, see what Gordy's doing on his Twitch.
Thank you. That means a lot.
You're in a call with me.
I really don't know how this works. At least this works. I'm very, very close to having the scripting language implemented, though. Performance. Oh my gosh. Using user data is efficient for passing objects to. Okay, so this is this.
Is there Frankenface D for YouTube?
James, can you just like plug Factor in Twitch chat or YouTube chat?
In your Twitch chat?
Yeah.
I stopped that, dude. I'm not gonna do that right now. Unless these guys use my code.
Okay, so I have to make
Tell
a
them
I
I
have to
should
make a
use my code.
user type. So Soul user type. Let's go. Okay, this is how you do it. Wow, that is complicated. I'm glad I'm not using the Lua API, or else I would probably like kill myself by now.
Can you please turn on a face cam, Gordy?
Turn on a face cam? No, because I have to set that up. I don't want to deal with that. I don't even want to do that.
I'm gonna use light mode.
Someone's gonna like open like my door behind me, because I said the door's behind me. I can't even hear it open. There's gonna be like 5 seconds. It's gonna be like FNAF 4.
I'm gonna turn on light mode for this, so then I can have it as like a backlight, a big backlight. Oh, oof! Who farted?
My chair.
Your chair?
Ew! Tell your chair to stop farting. I just clicked a button and I messed it up. Hold on. I
Just
turn on
ask,
light
like-
mode. I did it earlier. Yeah, I pressed the button and I messed it all up.
Big programmer.
Shimmer.
Certified.
Cooper, you have to stream now,
I'm a
so that-
certified. Yeah, Cooper, you gotta do it. It's no, that's like
Good.
Showcase Saturday, whatever. I wonder how many people appreciate the fact that I'm doing this on Windows XP. Like I'm really an OG.
Doing on what? Your mic keeps cutting out.
I'm developing this on Windows XP.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
A lot of people really need to
You're
realize
like
that.
you know you're like a world-class dev because of that, right?
Like James Robert Terry. This did not do anything, did it? I
No.
don't
Chat, what's up?
user
up?
type. I'm just gonna
Chat.
hope this works.
I'm gonna talk to Gordy's chat because I don't
You're
have
such
any
a
people
trap,
talking in my
James.
chat.
Entity
Gordy
set
chat?
position, get position. These are not things. Okay, I have like no idea what I'm doing. I am in over my head. Wait, where's the create name the table? Constructor.
Wait, is this Moss Engine 2?
Is this Moss Engine
Or is this
2?
just a continuation?
No, this is Moss Engine 2. I'm not.
Can you teach me how to code in Moss Engine, please? I want to do it.
You can't look. Check it out. You already can. We're getting.
Let me look at your stream. Hold on, let me look at yours. Wait, you're not screen sharing on Gilded. I'm looking at. It's just like delayed.
Yeah, well, I'm at the. I would turn down the delay, but there's no need to, and also it's gonna make my computer lag more. So, the delay's already like pretty good. It's like 30 seconds. Well, that's actually not that bad, but.
I'll unmute it now. Everyone can hear me twice.
Okay, well, I don't know. I guess I'll just see. This isn't like a function.
Okay. How do I code in Moss Engine? Let me do it.
You can't do it right now. It's not available to the pub. If you want, you can download the repo. I have the repo public. You can download it and compile it from source if you want to. It uses GCC, and it's compilable on Linux and Windows. So be my guest.
Okay, is it on your GitHub?
It's on my GitHub, yeah.
Plugging.
You're
is
gonna have to.
so-
No, you're gonna have to. I'm not plugging it because there's nothing. I have no monetary incentive to do that. Unlike
Okay,
James
what's
with
your
Factor.
GitHub? I think I have you added.
It's like Cellos51.
It's Cellos 51.
Yeah, sorry, Cellos51. I forgot to put the cello.
Yeah, why do you
Chode 51.
You really have,
Chode 51.
personal website about me?
personal website about me? What are you looking at the fucking thing that I didn't do?
GitHub.io.
Yeah, I'm just gonna
nothing
keep
else.
reading the freaking.
Is it Moss Engine U?
No, that's the Wii U port.
Be the
It's
sole
Mo-
source
it's just
code.
Moss Engine?
Yeah, it's just Moss Engine. Then go to the just download it. Download the code. You have to compile. You're gonna have to. Actually, he probably. Make sure to download it recursively, so that it has all the dependencies in it, and you actually probably will be able to compile it with
So I just download zip?
Yeah, you need CMake though, and you need the CMake G. I'm not walking you through this. Right? If you can have Cooper, this is like a lot to do.
Not my
I should
shit.
download CMake.
Okay, new user type, entity transform. Okay,
I'm just gonna raw dog this.
this actually wait. What? Why is this, like,
I got
so
you,
fucky?
Undersquire. I'll send you a link to it because Corey doesn't want to. There you go.
I'm gonna get flamed,
shoot.
bro. I'm actually gonna get like completely destroyed when people if people see this and stuff. That's why I didn't put in the description. It's not ready yet. Besides, this is for educational purposes only.
Sorry.
This is not for
Embarrassing.
the Cherno
Oh my
coder
goodness,
view.
that is so bright.
See, it's not fair because like Cooper's repo isn't
I look
public, and I would
shiny.
really,
Dude, I
really
look like a
appreciate
glow-
someone.
Dude, I look like I have a tan and I'm a
No, do not
glowy on.
flame my shit.
I didn't know. No one's gonna
on
flame
my
your
Twitch.
shit, so to speak.
Dude, I look like a tan
Yes, they
glowy right
will.
now. Look at
Do
my,
you know-
look at my Twitch.
Do you know?
Look at my,
You
look
look
at my
very glowy.
skin. I'm like
He
shiny.
looks like the Cherno.
I'm like shiny.
James looks like the Cherno. James looks like the Cherno.
Dude, why do you love the Cherno so much?
I hate this. No.
I don't know if this is like the right. If you do this like, autocomplete is carrying me. I have no idea if this is gonna work.
Do I download the
GLM
binary
vector-
or do
wait.
I download the source for CMake?
Vec3. What?
Do I download the source or do I download the binary?
I don't know. Oh, you download the source code. You download the source. The binary is old as hell. I'll update the
For CMake?
binary when the time. Wait, this for CMake? Oh, I thought you were talking about from my GitHub. No, download the binary.
Well, I download the source.
You can like install CMake through MSys2. Whatever. Let's just see if this works.
What's it?
You're using MSys2, aren't you?
I have it. I already downloaded the MSI. I'm just gonna.
Oh.
I gotta text. I gotta text Levi.
Alright, I would
I might have to
like
do my
if
God, I
this
wasn't
works.
above the law.
You weren't above the law. That's cool.
Morning. Is it weird that I remove and put back a semicolon and then save it to recompile
Should I add a
my
CMake
shading?
to the path environment variable?
So if we put, it just doesn't work. What?
Do I add? It's too late already.
Wait. I'm tripping out.
I'm not even on delivery.
Okay.
I'm close.
Oh, 0, 0. Wait, actually, wait, does it work? Hold on, can I modify this value? I like just not knowing if this is gonna work and just doing it. Holy shit!
Aw,
Cooper,
doggy.
look! Cooper, look!
Let me see.
I have to redo it because I didn't. Check it out. Check it out. Are you looking
You're
at
not
this?
sharing.
Oh my
Sharing.
god! Just view the freaking. Okay, look at this.
There's too much delay on it.
Okay,
but yeah.
see this? Watch.
Yeah.
That's done through Lua.
Oh,
That's done through
shit.
Lua.
Yeah.
We have Lua. To get a Copilot actually clutched up. Holy shit.
What did Copilot do?
GitHub Copilot did this thing. Should I call it Vec3 or Vector3? No, see, Cooper, look at. Oh yeah, you're not looking at the fucking.
Or do you know your chat hates me, right?
Why?
They're about to hate me because I'm loud.
You're about to
Check
what?
this out. Chat.
That was disgusting.
Yeah, that was actually like really weird.
That hurt my butt.
I think it's time for James to go bye-bye.
I'm disappointed.
I'm just gonna have this be like, I'm gonna have like this with the Vulkan. Hold on, if there are any like programmers in chat, they're gonna like love to see this. I'm gonna skim through the Vulkan render and everyone's gonna like throw up. Cause I'm using. Oh no, they're gonna see the Vulkan HPP there. So it's like a monstrous renderer. I am defining all the structs inside the class because I didn't want to put them in. I didn't want to make another folder or a file for it, which now I do because I changed the way that naming convention works and I don't care as much, but yeah, so they're all up here. And then I also have all the helper functions defined as private members too. And this isn't like a singleton or anything, so yeah, I'm kind of screwed. Oh yeah, and the OpenGL one isn't even consistent because
Gordy, someone in your chat asked how long you've been working on this.
wow, thanks James for informing me. I really appreciate that. I've been working on
Well,
this.
I want you to answer.
Hold on, I can just check when let me just check like the last commit. Like if we're gonna be technical, I guess it's like a little over 3 years. But for this specific one, like okay, like 3 years engine learning like engine development. This was September 6th. So like I don't know, like a little over a month so far.
2016.
September 6th this year. Because I wanted to try to learn Vulkan, so I just decided to make a new engine. And Vulkan is... yeah, basically. 3 years on... no, 'cause I actually did like... yeah, like a month, a little over a month on this one. And then I also had like 2 other versions where I was just trying to learn Vulkan because Vulkan is like really weird. And it's not even done yet. I don't even know Vulkan. I'm a fake programmer. I've been learning Vulkan just so I could wear the shirt when the Chronos shop comes out with their stuff, but it's not.
I downloaded
They're really
CMake.
sad.
What do I do now? I don't know how to do this.
What?
Download CMake. You
I
can do
gotta
that.
read me. I gotta read you.
Okay, I'm gonna create a little game now because I can create a game.
Oh.
Okay, now what do? I have it all downloaded.
Did I do lowercase input or cap? I literally forgot this stuff. DX11. Oh,
Learning- yeah.
that's like I have no experience with DirectX. I don't. So
Hey, I'm
like.
trying to learn DX12. TLR. Can you help?
Yeah,
me?
the other guy,
Okay.
the really high pitched kid, James. He's trying to learn. You can check in the description. He's streaming it. He's trying to do Rust.
Oh,
with
you plugged me. What a nice guy.
Yeah,
What a
whatever.
Nice guy.
You're
Yeah,
you're trying to do like DX11 on Rust. I have no idea how that works though. I was looking at trying to see like triangle examples for it. I didn't find any.
I'll need to fix my bitrate. It makes my stream look terrible.
I don't know what I'm. Hold on, I'm like.
Hold on.
Weird.
Okay. Look at that transform position. Oh yeah, I got delta time.
Oh, I can't change it. Oh, I can. Should I change my bitrate above 6,000?
Yeah, I've never
I
used
max it
Rust.
out?
I would
He's
not
just
do
trying
that.
to.
I would
He's
see.
trying to. I told him he should learn Rust because other
How long
guy
I've been learning Rust?
Cooper.
How I've been learning Rust for about 2 hours, and those 2 hours have been spent talking to Gordy and Cooper, and so pretty much all I have is Hello World. Yeah. Because I was watching, like as you can see at the bottom right, I was like, I had a video on,
WASD.
and I was watching it, but I have a terrible attention span, so I've just been kind of sitting here.
Also, like, you guys like the lore that I.
What's the lore?
No, in the Lua lore, the co-pilot lore. I'm just obsessed with this.
What is with your lore?
I just put this at the top, even though it's not using just-in-time compilation. This is like the base Lua API. All right, hold on.
All right, I think I'm gonna go above 6,000 kilobytes per second.
It's just how you do this, right? You just. No. I need to make a.
Oh, I can't even go above.
I need to make a vec2. That's like, stop doing that. Next
Yes, sir.
Sure, actually.
Yes, sir.
Quit it. Quit. Stop. Am I coming from C or C++? Neither.
He's coming from fucking scratch.
Yeah.
He's coming.
No, not even. I can pull up Scratch. I made one Scratch project and it was a child making weird noises.
I
So
would
it was like-
I
it was
would
like a
not
V,
tell
but
people
if I
that.
He's
Do you
coming from
remember that
algebra
program?
2 in high school.
No, algebra 2 is like good, right? W.
Cooper, you're doing Algebra 2 in high school as well. Yikes, Rust isn't a great first
No.
language. Yeah, you're
If I
probably
come from
right.
C#.
Yeah, Cooper tried to teach me C# in like 2022 in math class. You remember that, Cooper? Because the
I
teacher was
do.
always absent.
Okay, I honestly
He taught me to learn C#. I learned the
An online
most
compiler, yeah.
rudimentary-
Do you think so like is
ever, and then I
Rust
forgot it.
is Rust or C++ or like it's like is Rust or C harder? Like because I've
It's Rust C, which is a version of it's like C++ modded. I guess I don't really know.
yeah, I don't know. I
Uh,
feel like C is significantly easier.
I may want to. Oh yeah, I did learn a rudimentary Python, and then I forgot it as well.
Hold on, I'm
Oh, wait, I was
tripping
gonna
out.
text
I don't
you
know
about
what I'm
one,
like.
I
Circle of
think so.
life.
Okay.
Can I get a ride, please? So this is gonna turn from a developing stream to a homework stream. I
It's
gotta do
gonna
my
go
chemistry
Z.
homework, so I have to leave in like an hour.
Okay.
So yeah, if you go, oh, and there goes my
Can we
camera.
autocomplete this? Yes.
Hold up.
No,
we're
it's
back, we're still
monk.
back.
It's not getting it right.
Oh wait, we're not back. What the heck? Oh, we're back.
Monked? What?
Yeah, so this is gonna turn into.
You just got punked, Gordy.
I got monkey bunked? I can't say that.
Yeah,
Whoa.
this is gonna turn into a.
It's a
homework
slur.
stream.
It's not a slur. Alright.
It's not a slur.
I have to keep pasting because it's like the build.
Gordy after he says a slur, yeah.
Yo, look, it works! Holy shit! Lua input. I gotta reverse these.
Oh yeah, I gotta not show that. Okay, wait.
Wait.
Hold up. Let me switch this. Let me do one thing real quick. Hold on, I'm like really slow.
Mentally or
Okay, I'm
physically?
gonna do that for a second. Give me one second.
Oh.
There we go. Look, dude, Cooper, check my first-person adventure game.
Let me look at your stream because you.
Oh, the clipping planes. Why are they that freaking close? Look at this.
Let me look.
Got merged from the darkness. So I just need like a win. This is like a huge win for me. So I just need to like enjoy this for a second.
Looks like I'm like
Cool.
breaking. I'm like an android.
All right, cool.
Okay. Hold on.
All right.
All right, yeah. So I'm gonna start on my cam homework.
That's a really intelligent take.
Thank you.
Goodness.
Wait, oh, that's the box.
Let's
put it in the box.
Help me! Help! Okay. Dude, 0 concurrent viewers. Dude, this guy did not want to see me. Dude, underscore did not want to see me do my chemistry homework.
I'm absolutely like dreading having to add like texture loading and stuff because it's gonna completely destroy the way I have like models. Oh yes, yes.
Welcome to my
right.
world, son.
Hold on.
Huh.
I'm really thinking.
Back it again with the Krispy
I'm
Kreme.
probably gonna take it the easy route, Cooper. I'm sorry. I'm not gonna have like
What
dynamic
route?
asset loading. I'm probably just gonna have them like it recursively scan the model folder and just load them all into Actually, I mean, okay, that's not like a terrible thing, right? Because I'm probably not even gonna have more than like 40 models at like
Don't even
most.
talk to me. Don't even talk to me. I can't.
Wait, no, okay. You know, in the OpenGL renderer, I'm doing it like the simple way.
I don't even like that.
Yeah.
My cam.
That's
Hold on.
I thought I was having a stroke reading that. Hold on.
Reading what?
That's Ugh.
Why does Gordy have so many more viewers than James?
Because James is a
Because
little
I don't-
kid.
I'm a little kid. No, this guy joined. He talked to me. He gave me a pep talk, which I actually do appreciate. And then I said I'm gonna do my chem homework, and then he left.
Cooper, when are you gonna go live? I've been waiting on you. It's crazy. I should be doing the college math assessment right now instead of this.
Yeah, you should.
I probably should. I don't know. I'd rather be doing this right now because it's like fun. I'll just grind it out
Oh, this
later
guy's a
tonight.
we got a Java hater in Gordy's chat.
Wait, really? No, Java. Wait, really? Like.
Java Man 84.
No, TLO.
Cooper is so sorry.
Yeah.
Java Man.
Holy
you've been
crap.
swapping streams. Okay. That's valid. That's
I
valid.
don't like Java. I don't. I use it for Minecraft modding. Honestly, it's just C#.
You did Minecraft
It's
modding?
C#, I guess.
Yeah, Cooper did Minecraft
I just
modding.
love compiled languages because you don't have to force somebody to download a runtime.
Gordy, when did you do Minecraft modding?
For Minecraft
Talk
modding,
about
I
your
did it like
custom dimension.
no, I didn't do anything like that. I added like
Custom
I just added new music discs. And this was also when I was like really stupid. So yeah, I just
I used.
I didn't I don't know. I
I
just
got a
didn't
text
like
message
it.
from
I downloaded like JetBrains IDE though for it.
Yeah, I did that for plugins and then mods later on.
I feel like Java's like only really good if you're gonna
Alright, guys.
like
Wait.
I almost said something,
Should
but I
I have
realized
it?
I was
Should I have it?
straight.
only for Minecraft. 'Cause like anytime I would use Java, I would like rather use like C#. But then again, if I'm developing something like
Oh.
I don't know, is there
Okay.
.NET for the Raspberry Pi? Because I know like Java is really easy to set up on there. That's like the only thing I'll give it. It's
It's
really,
just my quality.
it's very
control
easy to
camera.
set up. I don't know why. I'm just like looking at this. I completely forgot what I was doing. I think I was gonna add rotation. There's like script.
Something
Yeah.
busy.
Okay. Transform.
Put it like that. You can put
Position rotation scale. Oh, this already has rotation. Wait, this should just work. Feel like I'm destined.
Yo,
I don't wanna
that's
mock
actually
me, but I'm
That's actually
destined.
sick.
No.
Okay. Yo, okay. I'm just gonna leave it like that for now.
Here, go for
Okay.
the skybox, right? I actually just made
Yo.
Unity, holy shit.
Is this tough? Yo, dude, I think this actually looks good. Okay. I can't even see something. I need light. Dude, this is, I think this might actually be the move.
Holy crap! 11 years. That's kind of crazy. How do you, I don't know how you like could like stand to keep doing that for 11 years. I'd probably like. I think.
Did he say he's been programming for 11 years?
I mean, technically speaking, if you count
What,
like.
haven't you?
No, if you count my Scratch era, then
You know I'm 11 years old. Just kidding.
I would have been programming for like 11 years, if that counts.
Just kidding, chat. Just
I'm
kidding,
just
chat.
joshing.
If
I'm
you
the same
don't
age as
count
you for
count Scratch, it's more
effectively.
like 6 years.
For like 3 days apart, I swear.
Scratch is like logic prep.
Okay, boom.
I got specced out at a young age.
Push this.
Tested out at a young age.
No, I got specced out because my parents were like,
Okay, boom.
"You should do Scratch," and then like I just like, and then I permanently bonded to like the idea of like game development.
Okay, boom.
Oh, this is
This is gonna be
space. I'm stupid. I actually wasn't even doing that. Oh, still doesn't work.
I have a test tomorrow on chemistry. I forgot about it. Okay, so yeah, I gotta work on that too.
I only have like 5 things that I have to do in school that I should
Wait,
be
what
doing
if I
right
do
now.
that?
50. I don't.
What if I do this?
Rotation should work. Is rotation a vector 3? I know it should be a
Trying
quaternion.
to find, like,
Oh
a-
yeah, it's a quaternion, isn't
Wait.
it? Yeah, it's a
Put my-
quaternion.
I'm in the
Shit.
grass world, Corey, look.
Right.
Holy
Wait,
shit.
hold on, let me see.
Stumble upon the fucking grass world.
A grass. Oh my gosh, that actually looks
Oh,
so
yeah, that's
cool.
not any better.
Hold on, hold on.
Is my non
See,
wait,
that you need a
light
stream. Yours
works?
is like way
Really?
more interesting because you're actually doing stuff.
Holy shit, light works. What
Wait,
the
really?
fuck?
Wait, is
I
that?
didn't
Is
I
that
thought it
Gordon? Is that
didn't.
Cooper
Wait, no,
Light?
that's actually so aesthetic. Hold on, I gotta take a screenshot of that and just post that. Like, or just put this up. Here, let me put this in.
It didn't work.
Wait, this is actually
It
aesthetically
does.
pleasing.
All right, here, let me put this.
The grass world.
Is this? What is this?
It's aesthetically
No,
pleasing.
this is. Yeah, I'm trying to put the grass world up.
Wait, did I already do H?
Oops.
Except I have like 5,000 screenshots, so finding it is like really annoying because I have to wait for my SSD to load all of them.
What?
Dang. Okay, here, grass world. Look how cool this looks. He's in like this little grass world. In Caesar
Oh, bro, okay,
engine.
hold on. Yeah, I got a lot I gotta do. Hold on.
Like grounded.
Yeah.
That's jet.
I don't
Jet.
remember. I'm a jit. Hold on.
I'm just gonna have a nasty ass growth spurt and then make fun of all of us.
Yeah. Nasty. You said nasty is like. That's like a bad way to use nasty in my
I did not understand
You're
like
right.
any words in that message.
In mine?
No. Wait.
No. Oh, such is the issue. with
I gotta
default.
understand that real quick.
Definitely an issue with the shader. Alright.
Hold on, I haven't even checked my YouTube chat. I gotta lock in. I gotta move this over here. Oh, no one said anything. Okay, good. Wait, not good. I mean that's bad. I mean that's bad. I mean that's bad.
What?
That's what I mean. Okay, so 6F. Oh, okay. He's gonna send us to.
What does HMH stand for?
What, 6?
How many have?
S. 6D.
If this works, then everything I need comes together.
What? Why do you have the periodic table open?
I'm doing my chemistry.
I'm doing chemistry.
Do you have that memorized yet?
No.
Yeah.
So what I need to do is I'm looking for I'm looking for the electron configuration, so I kind of need it. Like it's like unless I had the picture memorized completely, I couldn't do it. Wait, so where's my
Oh, what
two
chemistry?
things?
Sorry, I'm like tweaking again. I keep like
pre-IB.
I don't have enough caffeine. I keep just like
Same
scrolling
one
up
that
and
pretty
down.
much every sophomore's in. It's just I'm grouped with IB.
We'll do quad. Oh
Some
yes.
caffeine
okay.
in you.
Thank
yeah, I
you.
got pre-IB too.
All right,
You know.
I need to
For
make
some reason, a lot of all like the freshman
a
suffers are
function
not
that
even the
abstracts
classes
this
are
because I'm not
pre-IB,
using quaternions.
even though you're in classes.
Oh,
with kids who
handmade
aren't.
here out. Wait, I think I've seen that. Hold on.
Okay.
Sounds like a cool name.
Yeah.
Times instead of multiply.
Oh, that's why.
There's just not.
I think I've like seen like a clip of this. Yeah.
Ever getting the highest variance. It's as if that.
Oh wait, that would be.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to Handmade Hero. We're gonna start off a little bit differently. We're gonna program, like the snow. We'd have snow-covered ground for the areas with no snow trees and so on. But actually,
Dude, I'm so cooked. I'm actually so cooked. Oh shit. 6F, like 7F. Yeah, I'm just gonna go 8F.
Oh my gosh.
Yo, if
Okay,
I'm
wait.
doing this wrong, like, tell me what I'm doing wrong, please, or else I'm gonna actually like.
Right, let me see. Wrong.
No, I'm in chat like someone who's like, you know, gone
That's
through high
act-
school. What does that mean?
Well.
Jungle gas? Dude, he didn't teach us this.
X, Y, Z, W. I don't know why. I don't know why this doesn't work.
It
Whatever.
should be fine.
Should be like, oh, it's a capital. I think it's the capital.
Oh, it's there.
Yeah, quaternions. Ugh.
The quaternions to work.
Yeah, I really hate quaternions. Is that like messed up? I mean, I like their functions.
I don't think I do.
I like their like functions and stuff, but I don't like using them directly. I don't think.
Oh, that's smelly.
Are you like supposed to understand them exactly? Because like I've tried.
Some people are
I've tried
supposed
so
to.
hard. I have no intuition for them.
Yeah.
I'm making these capitals. This is like making me angry. Okay, that makes me feel a lot better because I felt like really bad about that. Hold on, how does Roblox? I'm just trying to
Don't
like.
tell anyone. Please
What?
don't tell anyone. No one say anything. I swear.
What are you doing?
Googling chemistry
It's
homework
good.
answers.
Isn't that like how it's supposed to work? Because like if you do your homework and never mind, I have no idea what I'm talking about.
Easily get your ass kicked out of the IB program for that.
Is AP history,
I'll be put on the honor council, and then they like determine.
Vector 3 documentation.
I know none of.
Bless you. Okay, yeah.
I didn't even know that.
Is it bad that I'm literally just ripping off the Roblox API?
I'm ripping off Unity word for word.
If I just do like Vector 3 quaternion. I want the full
fucking
thing.
grass
Someone
world
in,
off of
That
the
is-
thing.
Can someone in Gertie's chat like?
Oh, never mind. It was
help me?
backed up. It's just crazy.
It's like the.
I don't know. These guys. Someone GG'd you.
So you
Dude,
got
why
like
is your
actual
profile
programmers
picture
watching.
the
like-
picture of you with like Popeyes on your front doorstep?
That was pretty funny.
So
No,
do you
it's
guys
like-
have like
It was like the first image I had in my downloads.
you guys have like nothing to do or something?
Me?
No, and chat. 'Cause
Oh, the chat.
There's
They
not
love
much
your
going.
dude. Okay, you know that's gonna get them to click off your video, right? They're just gonna go,
I just
"Oh,
want to
don't-
know
this-
because
this
like
guy
there's
doesn't
not
care
much
about
going
it."
on right now. It's like
No, but they're here for the journey, and that's what matters, right?
yeah, that's fair.
And you know that's the kind
For
of
real,
vibe
like
have on
I don't
YouTube.
see.
Tune into,
I haven't seen a lot of
slash pumped rowdy or youtube.com
like game
slash
engine
pumped
development
rowdy.
and
I'll be
stuff.
there.
I really just like low level development is so cool. I want to also like what is it called? Bonus quest. I want to add Wii U support, Wii U compilation. I've done it once, and it is like really annoying because the graphics API has 0 documentation, but it would be really cool. Because imagine like, you know, having your own thing that you can like put on the Wii U. I don't know. It's really cool like having everything work and just knowing you can do something and just doing
Honestly,
it.
that'd be sick.
Yeah, I'm going to add it. I'm just gonna hold on. Global.
I did my homework.
Eventually.
But I do not care. I did
I
more.
don't know why this diffuse map isn't
Yeah,
working.
yeah,
It's
TLR
definitely
underscore.
loading.
Okay.
Oh, underscore is waiting for his laundry to finish. Yeah, TLR. The YouTube algorithm is actually really good compared to Twitch's, because there's actually discovery.
Yeah, I've seen
that
them.
you
They
get
they
from
do
YouTube.
no, it's actually been doing like, it's like if you see on any YouTube video, there's always, at least for me, there's the play next, shorts, then there's like a recommended video, and then right underneath that video is a small video, like a small recommendation.
Yeah,
the down to
and
the
then
side,
I mean
good.
Twitch is like getting better, but the only like now like when you open the Twitch app on your phone, it's literally just scrolling, and you scroll through people's streams. That's their discovery feature. It's really weird. I don't like it. I mean, but I guess it's better.
Hold on,
I mean,
I'm
it's,
gonna-
like, I guess in a way better. 'cause
I'm gonna
you can,
pull a
like,
YouTube
people
Shorts
hear.
real quick.
Are you
love
gonna
YouTube Shorts.
stimulate your audience?
No,
Shorts?
I'm going to no, I'm gonna add, actually I am gonna do some like YouTube Shorts thing. I'm gonna add Cooper's like live on just onto it.
Forcing me to stream.
Yeah, because you're being like,
Forcing me to go live.
I am forcing you to go live. That is correct.
Wait, you're actually getting forced to go live? Let's go.
Hold on, is there a way I can like, I'm gonna like accidentally share something I don't want to.
What?
It's gonna be something like really bad. Play Subway Surfers in the
Less
corner.
than
I would
1
love to.
megabyte
Hold
left
on.
on my C drive.
Uh,
What?
I'm just gonna hope this doesn't do anything bad.
Humanly possible.
Hold on.
What just happened in real time?
It
Okay.
says I have 0 bytes free on my
How do
C
you do
drive.
this?
I just had that yesterday too.
Device not connected. Okay.
Gordy, there's 0 bytes left on my C drive.
Here. Now we're gonna have. I
Put
got
a
him.
Windows stat get to work.
I got him to program. Like there we go.
I
There we
actually
go.
see
Now he
that.
can't. Now he can't avoid it.
C cleaner
Oh
time.
yeah. Let me.
I
No.
did have a Discord server. I technically still have one. It's. Hold on. I think we use.
Getting outed
We use.
against
No, we
my
use.
bad shader code.
We use Cooper's, right? Cause his
You have more
bare
subs than me
bones.
now. I just subbed you.
Cause his yeah, I'm just gonna yeah, we use this one. Here, wait, let me make this not expire.
Invite him to Full Sail.
I'm not doing that. I have no idea how I'm supposed to. Oh, why does Firefox suck at playing YouTube so much?
Oh my goodness. Yeah, stimulate your audience. Hey, and me. There's me.
Also, have any of you guys seen Tokyo Spliff? Cause
Wait, which Discord server is that, Gordy?
this is Cooper's, I think. Yeah, it's his the bare bones interactive one.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Yeah,
Oh,
My
he
hit
has a
game
strong
over
aura.
Gazelle.
he has a
Yeah.
strong, exactly. I really like, honestly,
I wonder if I have to
Wait,
disband
for
that
real?
server after I
Moderates
sell
his
it.
server.
holy crap.
That's crazy.
He's like kind of my spirit animal. I can't even lie.
Have you like, what's it like talking to him? 'Cause you've obviously like spoken to him. At least online. What's he like? Like, is he the same on like off stream?
I love the forced live
I'm
stream.
gonna go like check my email. Can you like turn my stream off of your stream?
Yeah,
for a
sure.
second?
I'll turn it off.
I gotta look at my email. I gotta see if I get like got purchased yet.
I won't lie. Like
Ah.
Tokyo Spliff is a big motivation for me. Like watching him do his stuff.
More split smush, and I'm aware of his show.
Yeah, it's good.
Oh my gosh, they're-
Um,
My sisters are freaking out. Yikes.
Underscore, what is he like? Because obviously, is that like, what does he do on the weekends, or what does he do when he's not streaming? Like, does he have a job? I didn't mean on the weekends, but what does he have like a job?
Trying to get like all the deets, aren't ya?
What does this make that work? Makes the clock work.
A lot of stuff.
That is so weird.
What?
Does the light have to have a texture? Oh, okay. I think the light has to have a texture. That makes sense.
Clear Collie does or did contact with various companies and releasing
I'm putting you back
I heard
up.
somewhere that he worked for Google, but I'm pretty.
Yeah, it's fine now.
You know, I don't think that's true.
Alright.
Starting to get interesting, so I don't mind.
I was gonna add
That doesn't
collision
make
code.
any
I'm
sense.
not
'Cause
adding
light doesn't
collision.
have a mesh.
Not adding collision code yet. So I need. Hold on. I'm just gonna check one of the Vulkan. Let me see. I am not making another uniform buffer object right now. I'm just gonna use push constants. Oh,
Yeah, go talk to
sick.
Cooper in there. Cooper's a big. Cooper's always on. I was a mod,
Cooper's making
and then I helped
Caesar
him build
engine.
his
He's got.
server, and then he kicked me off the mod.
He's got his little like OpenGL like website.
Just- 'cause
You
you're
know,
scared.
but Cooper doesn't have 2 render backends, so he's kind of
Need
like
2 render
lacking
backends.
there. Exactly.
That is a
We need more
bizarre-ass
games.
bug.
We need more people making games. I really want to know more people that are game developers, because at the moment, like I really only know Cooper.
Yeah, that's
And,
crazy.
and hopefully one day Jake.
And hopefully
TTC.
one day James. And the I'm
TTC.
sorry, I don't like. He's kind of.
You don't wanna
He's a bit
What about Crusher
strange. Crusher Fire is like just too busy stacking bread.
Jafar is
Yeah,
a
how much
company
does he make? How much
manager.
does
Yeah, he has like he started a business and stuff over like Roblox.
Yeah, actually.
An LLC. Leak as much personal details as you can about him. Maybe fun.
Any much personal details? Nah, cause there's like a chance you could like tune in at any time. I wouldn't know that
No,
Yeah,
he
you
doesn't. He doesn't.
subscribe to you.
because I still want to work for him.
He looks down upon you.
Probably does. Wait, I need to go. Rest in peace.
Oh, okay. Well, I found a bunch of folders with like 50 gigabytes worth of stuff. That's where all my stuff.
You. Right now, James is streaming inadvertently.
Oh, my,
Okay,
my
I'm
AirPods
gonna-
are not getting-
You're streaming James's homework.
Okay, now my other pair of AirPods.
I gotta check the Sasha Willems GitHub tutorials or like Vulkan examples. These things are like
Sasha barely knew her.
talk to a.
Oh, brother.
Talk to her, I hardly knew her. If you guys like that kind of humor, you should come over to my stream,
Oh my
twitch.tv/punkrad or youtube.com/punkrad.
Okay, would it be like morally correct for me just to copy the camera.hpp from Sasha Willems?
From what?
Oh, there I am!
Okay, so that is what it is. That's weird.
Okay, I have not. Holy cow, that is a lot of code actually in a freaking header file.
Do you want mine?
So I want, yeah, actually, let me see it. Let me see it. How's your camera file work? That's it?
Yeah.
I guess you have transform, rotation. Huh. Speed. What does speed do?
I don't think it does anything anymore because I just parented
Delete it then.
to.
Delete it and compile it. It's like coconut JPEG.
Probably
moment.
will. It doesn't. I'm very concerned. Okay. Okay. Oh yeah, it's just the init. Okay.
Hold on.
Like it compiles now.
What's up, TLR?
Oh, so
We figure that shit out. It compiles.
Just chilling.
I'm gonna have to mute it now because it's doubled.
Double what?
Well, it's because that's in the stream.
Compiles without speed.
It's like audio twice, but yeah.
Sorry about that.
So
Use
it's just cool, like you find just some random stream guy like working on
Guys, I'm almost done.
Yeah, that's weird.
Guys, I'm almost done.
So, you do game development too?
Not for. I'm quite new to it.
Mm.
I mean, I've been programming for a long time, as I said earlier, but
It should not be
game
used.
programming something I got like. I mean, I'm like really into it, but I'm new to it, right? So like, maybe a year ago I started programming.
Yo, guys, if you want,
I guess for
that
games
wacky
online.
sense of humor that I bring to the table.
Like
you
I mean,
guys
before
should
that I
check
was
out
doing a bit
my-
of Godot, but I never
I'm
really got too into it.
self-promoting.
I really got into it when I like started
Yeah,
doing
I
C
think they
and
get the picture.
started watching Handmade Hero and reading like books. I started reading the Jason Gregory book. I have a friend who did a bunch of internships in different like game companies in college, and he basically just got me into it. He's like a Vulkan guy.
Yeah, I like with like game engines and stuff. I think I don't know. I just think like the lower level stuff is just way more rewarding after like making everything. It's
I'll be back.
I just think that it's like the most fun form of programming because you get the most like feedback. So I've
Yeah, it's
yeah.
so like diverse. It's like such a giant thing too. Like there's so much to do.
Yeah, it's like, and the best part is you like understand exactly how everything works. There's no like black box or like magic.
Yeah, exactly that. I mean, I worked for a startup for like 2 years, and it was like web stuff. You know, I was doing TypeScript and shit. And yeah, it was very frustrating just to not know what was going on, like what was under my feet.
Everything
It's like,
temporarily.
you know, you're swimming in the ocean, you have no idea what's underneath you. It's like, it's just kind of depressing,
Right.
and
No, okay, that's
sometimes creates stress to not know what's going on. But like being on firm ground is really really nice.
So just the act of setting
I
that, even
agree
if it's not
100%.
used, breaks
It's
it.
it really like changed programming for me. Like I had a very different relationship with it. It was kind of just, oh, it's something I know how to do and I could get paid for it, so I guess I'm gonna keep doing it. While now it's like
Do you want to see
I
something
love
really
this now.
quickly?
I really love it, and it's all I want to do. Right.
Yeah. Like so. Like so you what programming languages do you know?
That I know. Well, there's programming languages I know, and then there's the ones that I'm comfortable with.
Like I guess the ones you like mainly use.
So
Oh,
the first language I learned was Python. Python and Java, because I had a book I think that covered both. But no, I got a Python book and a Java book. I forgot what happened with Python book, but anyways. So I know those languages, and I'm quite comfortable in Python, but I don't like it that much. It's all right. It works. I'm doing like Discord bots, like small scripts, like
Yeah.
Various things with Python. I actually did a bit of contract work doing Python at one point, but very little. Didn't get referred to it. JavaScript and TypeScript. I worked for like 2 years with those. That was like I had a job for a while. And now I do like C++. But like when I write C++, I don't really know modern C++, to be honest. I kind of just write it like C. So like, I don't really use templates or things like that. I keep it very sober, which is what people tend to do with games. Although like my friend really liked templates at one point. And I had no idea what his code was doing. Like it was just kind of a mess. But no, it's like I mostly just do C. Like I'm just a C guy now, and I might like learn Odin, which is a language that was mentioned in the new chat.
I have never heard of Odin before.
Yeah, Odin is like, it's an interesting one. I VC'd with the guy who, well, I didn't really VC with the guy. I was like in VC
Yo, why
with the
everyone
guy.
go silent?
I wasn't really talking, but that made it. And he's an interesting guy actually. Like, he's a
Join
physics.
Bearbones VC.
He's like studied physics
Wait,
university or
Bearbones
something.
VC?
He's doing like
I have to turn my VPN.
computer, like he's doing like special effects. I think. He has like
Do we
a
have
company.
to?
And yeah, he started like working on this programming languages when he got really drunk on a stream, and then it became a serious project, and that's what he does now. And it's kind of like supposed to be like a C
Yeah, my stream's about to go down for a second.
C
yeah.
replacement, I guess. It's kind of similar in spirit to C, but it's like I don't know enough about it to really speak intelligently on it.
Mm.
It just seems like it's intriguing. It's doing some things that are different. Also, Jai is like, I'm really interested in Jai, but like it's impossible to get a hold of that thing.
How do you feel
So-
about Carbon?
I don't know anything about Carbon
Yeah, I mean.
or like C3 or any of those. I know like a fair bit about Rust because people keep talking about it like constantly. People will never shut up about Rust. It's like, but I mean, I've not actually used it. I remember like one of my coworkers trying to get me into Rust like 3 years ago, but I never got into it.
When I was first starting out on C or C++, I was like, I saw everyone using Rust in like some Discord servers I was in, and I thought
It's trendy.
I thought I like picked the wrong decision or like make the
Yeah,
wrong
yeah, no.
choice.
Rust is really, really popular. It's really trendy right now, but For games, I mean, some people like a lot of people write game engines in Rust, but I don't think it's a right fit because the problems that Rust solves, like, I mean, with like the HMH stuff I was watching, what I was reading about, like people talking about it that have experience like in games.
What's the bit rate looking like? Oh, it's terrible.
What I figured is like a lot of the things that Rust fixes, like the problems it solves, are not really problems that you have in game development. Like it's like it's just
Cooper.
maybe like Rust
Cooper,
has
you
its
banned me
place for
from your
like I don't
Discord
know,
server. I can't join.
working on servers for like services and some. I mean, I don't know really. Like I don't know enough about it, but like it just seems like what it offers with memory safety and such is just not really that useful for games. It's you're just kind of making your life harder, part because your compile times are a lot slower. Like Rust compiles very slowly compared to C, and that just slows down the whole like development cycle, and there's a real cost to you doing that, right? It's like I like fast compilation because I'll change things on the fly and recompile, and do you know it's like sledgehammer programming?
I've never heard of that.
So it's very basic. Sledgehammer programming is like, let's say you do a refactor. Like I don't know, you change how like something works. Let's say you have a variable like in a structure and you want to change it or something. But like you want to change the implementation of it everywhere. What you do is you rename it, and then that creates a bunch of compiler errors. And then using those compiler errors, you'll find like every place where that thing is used in your program, and you can like change all of them. And it makes refactors a lot faster to do that. But like you need to be able to compile fast for that to be like effective, right?
Did you invite
something like I saw that in like a Jonathan Blow video, and it's like, wow, like GSC does it too. It's pretty cool. You just break things to you just use the error messages to like change things faster, basically, to like just jump across your code. If you have the right if you have the setup for that, it's great. Like some IDEs, you can just like press a button and it's gonna like jump to the line that has the error,
yeah,
and
I
just
think
change it.
I think I have that in VS
I did.
Code.
Yeah, I mean I used to use VS Code for my job,
Yeah.
but I haven't used VS Code since. I don't know, but
Use NeoVim.
yeah, I don't use
Hello?
NeoVim. I used Vim for like when I was.
You don't kill it.
Hello? I can't hear anything. Hold up.
I've used Vim before for like working on like let's say like you need to work on a server or something and you SSH into it and use Vim. Or like I have a Raspberry Pi and it's running like a its own like little Linux distribution, but it doesn't have like I mean it's like command line only, so I use Vim for that obviously. But other than that, I don't really use Vim. I use Emacs, which is like kind of dumb, but
I think my friend uses Emacs or something. I'm actually pretty sure that's what
Okay,
it
I
is.
can
He's
hear
like,
you have to be like a contrarian to use Emacs.
I don't know. He uses like something where he's like, I have so many like command line like shortcuts and everything. He's got like, but I can't say anything because he's like, he got like a full paid like scholarship and like an internship at like 20 or something. And, like,
What are you talking about?
Yeah.
and then he's like in Japan now. So I'm talking about Gabe.
Gabe?
Crazy.
Yeah, I'm talking about Gabe.
Man, no, it's like Emacs is like a whole. It's like high. You can really customize Emacs like crazy, but I never like really got into that. Basically, I just saw like HMH and I was like, oh, this thing looks neat. So I just grabbed his config and used it, and I never like really changed it. So it's, I mean, there's another editor. It's like 4Coder that seems it's like really obscure, but it's like kind of like Emacs. But I just got used to all the shortcuts for that config, and that's just what I've been using for a year. So now I'm just used to it.
Yeah.
Editors don't really matter though, like honestly. It's like people make a big deal out of it.
I was using like Sublime like for the mostly, but
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Like
I switched to VS Code because it just doesn't have as many extensions.
that's actually what the Odin like guide uses is Sublime. And he says like according to him like it really doesn't matter, like it's
I like the way Sublime looks a lot though.
yeah.
It's comfy.
The nice thing with like VS Code is really nice if you have like a really complex code base. You have to jump around a lot between functions. Like let's say you work with some web devs and they really like abstracting things and splitting things into like a bazillion files and having a bazillion libraries. Being able to just control click on functions and like jump around is really nice. And like other editors can do that, but you have to configure them right. And VS Code is very convenient for things like that. I think VS Code is like pretty. I think it's like, I don't know. It feels to me like it's really good for
Like
web
Christmas.
stuff. I've had to use it because of college. I've had to use it again. because I got into college recently, and a lot of the tools they use is like they have so many different things to make us use. Like it's like we're using like 3 different editors because of different classes. So
Oh yeah, Cooper, why'd you kick me off the admin and ban me, but leave Gordy?
what?
You
Zig?
kicked me out of the.
Those guys talking about
Got
Zig.
rid of my admin role.
I should check the chat.
Let me see.
Oh yeah.
Pretty sure you were spamming or something.
I did
Well,
do that.
when I say I've only done game dev for like a year, it's more like
Claiming you made my game.
I only got serious about it a year ago.
No, that was no. You did it way after.
You ever done a
because
game jam
I said
before?
I'd stop.
I've never
and
been in a
then I,
game
like,
jam. I've
set
been
your
in.
server up, and then you
At my
didn't.
university, like, there's a lot of different things like that, it's like game jams and stuff, and I got in touch, like, it's funny, like, on the second day of university, I, like, just met the guy, by chance I met the guy who, like, manages all that stuff, but I just have not attended yet, because I was busy with, like, coursework, but, yeah, no, it's, I should take part in game jams. I worked a bit with, like, I've worked a bit with Godot before, but, like, honestly, I wasn't really. I've made like small 2D games and stuff like a long time ago, but it doesn't really count. Just that's why I say I've not like really done game programming until like a year ago because I just wasn't serious about it.
Yeah.
So it's like, I mean, when I was 12, I was trying to make a game. I just never finished it. Right.
Like, I get what you mean. It was just stuff like that. Like, I've like worked on a lot of stuff. I just haven't really like completed anything.
Yeah, it's like completing
Yeah.
thing.
I completed very small projects. I've completed like game
Yeah.
jam projects that are like, because those are only like 2 days, so you know exactly how long it's gonna
Yeah,
be.
yeah. I haven't even done that. Like,
Yeah.
the projects I've completed is like, oh, I was working on my game and I had to search for a file with like 1,000,000 lines and it was really slow. So I made like a little C thing, so C program to search through the file, and find like where entries were. And I did that. It's like, okay, well that took me like 2 days, and I finished it. But like the actual project that this thing was for, I never finished it. And like that's usually how it goes. Like I'll make a bunch of tools for a project, and then I'll abandon the project eventually. So like I was working on a strategy game, and I made a bunch of smaller programs to like process a bunch of data to like create my game maps, because I was trying to like make I was trying to like make a map of like China that was accurate for like the mountains and stuff and the rivers and everything. So I was using like actual geographic like data like from the ArcGIS and NASA, and like trying to use that to make a game map, and that was like really complicated. That took forever, and eventually I just got burnt out and stopped working. I just abandoned the project completely.
Yeah.
Like I barely even got into working on the game itself because I was too busy. Like for 6 months almost, I was working on the damn maps for it. Just insane rabbit hole.
Are you like a perfectionist?
I've done a couple itch games. That's pretty much it.
What kind of games? Said what? H game?
Itch.
Oh, Holbrook
It's a-
Hotel.
He's being
When you
really
say-
humble about it, but he got
When
like...
you say H games, I think like hentai or something. Like what? Like what is a H game?
Itch.
Itch game. My bad.
ITCH.
Okay, itch. Yeah, I know itch.
he got
Yeah, he got a couple
like,
downloads.
well, you got like second from top from 1, right? Yeah.
I think yeah.
Oh yeah.
You got like on like the trending page, you got like second from top on one of games.
How long have you been doing this?
Oh boy.
Since 7th grade, so it's been
like
what?
4 years.
It's not been 4
3
years.
years.
It's been at 3.
3 years.
No, it's been like 2 years.
It's funny because like I've
It's
been
been 3.
programming for a long time, but you all have like done more game programming than I have.
I've only done game
Oh
programming.
no, it has been 3 years. It has been 3 years.
Yeah. I mean, I did a bunch of stuff, but like just games to me is new. But it's the only thing I really like at this point. You know?
It's like I looked at like web dev or like all the other or just
Like
some
my
other
dad,
stuff or
my
like
Terry.
like machine learning. I haven't like done it. Like
Oh,
it
I
just-
worked for an A. Actually, the startup I worked for was an AI thing. And
Mm.
nah, don't bother.
it just like
I just don't think I'd have. the
it's just
patience
not
for it, you know?
interesting. It's like hard to like maintain motivation for like those kind of things because they're just like boring.
Yeah.
My dad does web dev and servers.
AI is
I'm
like
sorry.
AI is like if you're really good at math and like statistics like math, then maybe
like
yeah.
that.
The only thing
Otherwise,
like
it's not like a programming thing really. Like AI is not really a programming thing. It's really more like statistics. It touches more into like science.
like
at this point.
like the only like other thing that's kind of fun is the Raspberry Pi or just having like with like the GPIO and like running motors. That's pretty fun.
Yeah.
Because I
My
mean,
parents like got me a Raspberry Pi when I was 12.
yeah, I got one. I think I got one actually like the same age. I didn't like understand like what to
Yeah.
do with it though for like I have
Me
a,
neither.
a 0-1. I finally used it after like what, like
No,
8
like the biggest
years?
contribution of the Raspberry Pi. That I mean, I was like playing with Legos, and I was like, I made like a little tank that had like a suspension with springs. It didn't really work well, but I was like tinkering that, and I was like, oh, I'm gonna use the Raspberry Pi on this
Hold
thing.
on, I have
Never
to,
did it.
I have to
Never
post
did
an
it.
image in chat of what this looks like, or not chat.
And
actually, yeah, this
oh,
chat.
yeah?
Hold on.
I never really did much robotics until like now, because you know the introductory programming courses, of course they're gonna make us do robotics, and then it's university, but we're playing with fucking robots.
So
Of
I.
course, it's like soldering instead of like Legos, but
Oh my gosh, this is gonna. So I didn't have like any like tools. So this is what it looks like.
Oh, dude,
What
that thing
is
was
this?
sick.
It's a little
I was able to
car.
control it.
okay, okay, give me a
I
second.
controlled it from like across the stage.
Oh, okay, so like you just like hot glued it together. right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It
Dude, it
fell
was so
apart.
funny.
It doesn't work anymore.
Yeah, yeah.
Did it really?
Here, wait. I'll put in in Twitch just.
I'm like going easy mode because in university they just gave us like basically this platform to use. It's like plexiglass, and they gave us like motors and stuff, and we just like soldered the whole thing and put it together. But like putting a thing together from like nothing is like honestly more impressive because it's like I mean, even if it fell apart, you know.
It almost got drove into the pool because it had like a camera on the front. You could access it from like a website.
Wait, was it Cooper that drove it into the
No, I don't think it was my cousin Quinn. Like I had some people over. I was like, hey,
It's
check
pretty
this
funny.
over, and then almost drove it into the pool.
Yeah, it's like
I drove it.
it reminds me of like getting this like little RC like helicopter, and I think it was like my sister's friend rammed it into the cat 5 times and it broke.
I'm gonna post a
That's
picture of my turret.
Oh,
that I
the
made.
turret?
That's not impressive enough,
Turret?
actually.
Oh yeah, you could.
He made a little like tracking turret that, like shoots you in like the eyes.
Man, you've done a
Yeah.
lot of stuff. It's like
You need to load it with piss.
yeah, the biggest contribution for me of the Raspberry Pi was like there were little games on there, like Pi games.
Oh yeah.
And I transferred those to
love Pi
to my
games.
home computer, and I like tweaked a lot. I tinkered a lot with those games. I had no idea how to program at that point. I was just like changing things randomly, like seeing if it worked still, and you know changing resources and stuff. And I had a lot of fun doing that. I think it's all lost to time now, but no, actually the
well, I
Raspberry
guess,
Pi, I still have that thing. I still have the Raspberry Pi. I reinstalled Linux on it, without like a desktop or anything, just CLI. And I run like Discord bots on it now.
Yeah, that's like
It's-
about the only use that I've really found out for them. I had
yeah,
like,
but it still works. It's been 10 years and this thing still runs.
wait,
you know?
what model do you have?
No, it's like the OG. Like I think it's the first one that came out.
Yeah.
All right, well I gotta go. I'll see you guys.
Good luck,
have a
James.
good
Bye,
one.
James.
Thank you.
Bye, James.
Let me
RK.
check. Let me look it up. I don't know which one this is. Let me look at the board. I don't know where it's written, but it says December 2011. Wait, that makes no sense. It can't be 2011. Didn't this release in 2012?
What, the Raspberry Pi?
Yeah, but like this one says I guess it was manufactured in 2011. For some reason. I guess it's still like time traveling shit.
You have the Time Travelers one.
Yeah, I have a. It's like. Oh no, it's copyrighted 2011. Okay. So where's the? Is it actually still? Yeah, I don't know. I think it's one of the first like generation ones though. It's like within like a little housing, so I don't want to like mess with it. Yeah, I think it was like a 3. Or wait, no, I think it was 2. No, that makes no sense. It's 2018. That can't be it. I'll look it up. Just I have no idea which one this is. I think it was a model. It was Model B. Yeah, Raspberry Pi Model B, which is the original.
Model B. That's a thing.
February 2012. That makes sense. And I looked it up, and it looks exactly like mine. So.
Ow, I bit my tongue.
You think you'd enjoy the 0W?
What is that?
That one's like it runs. It is like the like low cost one. it's the one that I have. It runs so slowly.
Yeah, it's more. I mean, they were always meant to be like extremely like budget computers, right? I mean, the original. I mean, I'll look at the spec. Oh, 1 gigahertz. That's not bad, actually. Could be worse.
The Game Boy Advance is better. Actually, that's not. Don't fact check that because that's.
Well, I mean,
false.
gigahertz alone doesn't really mean much because, you know, a CPU is like gigahertz is the speed of the CPU. But the thing with CPUs is, I mean, anything like remotely recent, it's not really about speed. It's more about like how wide are things done, right? It's like how much you know about the CPUs actually.
Are you one of those NAND to Tetris guys? I don't know like anything about it.
I'm not a NAND to Tetris guy, but I know a little bit about microarchitecture. I've written a little bit of SIMD. SIMD's nuts. SIMD is like
Like fast shield, yeah.
like it means single instruction, multiple data, and it's I used it for like when I was doing image processing stuff for my game, and it was kind of unnecessary. But like you can write really fast code by doing a lot of operations in parallel because CPU. That's essentially what CPUs do, anyways.
What would it like
today, so.
take for you to write a whole game in that?
Well, it gets used a lot. I think it gets used a lot in the industry actually, but it's a very low level thing, and it depends what. Not all systems, I guess, can be. You know how GPUs will do things like in parallel, so like you'll write a shader and it's
Yeah.
going to, and you don't put much branching in your shaders because it slows them down. It's kind of the same principle, but like for the CPU, and it's a bit like smaller scale, but it's still. But I mean, it's not something you should really worry about that much. Like, it's probably better to learn just how physics work and like graphics work and all that. And the SIMD stuff is like a nice thing to know on the side if you're trying to write really performant code. But it's more like when you want to improve a system after you've made it. Although, like, just the basic principle of knowing that parallel things are good is it's good to just know that. As much as possible, like, you should put information alongside similar information gets used together. It's just a good rule.
So you're like
But-
modern day John Carmack.
I'm not. I'm just some guy. Like, I don't know anything, really. I followed a few courses by the, because I started like, he has like paid courses now, the Handmade Hero guy, and it's about like, you know, like low level optimization stuff, and I followed that for a while before I got into university, and that was interesting. But I mean, I never finished it really. I just got like, I was just in this introduction part. I'm really good at convincing people who know nothing that I know a lot, but as soon as I encounter some guy that actually knows this stuff, I'm gonna look really stupid.
That's how I feel about
Exactly how I
everything.
feel.
That might be like a universal experience.
Yeah. But I mean,
That's why I didn't stream today.
Exactly.
if you have enough like hands-on experience, like it doesn't really matter. You'll be good if you do that. I know it's interesting like to read, like with SIMD stuff. It's just gotten me to, you know, it's the idea is like just not being scared of these things, and you just become curious. You just start looking at it. It's not necessarily useful, but at one point it might be. Because like it's like, oh, CPUs are scary, like hardware is scary, I don't know how this works, I don't know, I don't want to touch it, right? And then like you look at it a little bit and it's like, okay, this isn't so bad, this isn't so
Why is there a
crazy.
star? Like one black star in the sky.
It's pretty cool.
But yeah, I mean, if you're already like writing games without a game engine, like you're already most of the way there.
What is going on?
What is
I think is it your near plane or your far plane?
I guess, I mean, maybe, yeah.
Oh wait, Air, I didn't even see that.
Yeah. I guess it's just like really
Oh,
far
am
away
I
stuff. And,
stupid?
I love OpenGL.
yeah.
Dude,
Oh,
you only
I heard
like
pestle.
I publicked. It took me like so much courage to like public the repo, just like for fun, because I thought I did want to like show some other people, because it got like really annoying. If I wanted
Yeah.
to like view it on other devices, I'd have to sign in and stuff. But like,
Oh, it's gone now.
ooh,
Wait,
wait,
you're pushing it around?
that's like source one. That's like gold source.
Wait,
or,
so
like,
you've got like
Lighting.
like some So were you like doing collisions or physics there? Like.
Oh, okay. No, I've been had all the physics stuff in collisions, and I had lighting working too, but I had to revamp my entire system because I was
Okay.
using meshes as a component instead of mesh renderers.
Okay.
So I couldn't like reuse a cube mesh, for example, because it would have a different material. But now I can.
I don't know that much
So I'm just
about.
trying
I didn't know that much
to
about
get back where
OpenGL,
I
to be
was.
honest. I like
So I
graphics.
think
in
this should work now if I do this instead. I think lighting should work now.
He's like really good at graphics programming for some reason.
general. Yeah. I have a friend who's like really into it.
Sure.
He started working for the guy who got me into game programming actually is like a big. I said earlier, he's a big Vulkan guy.
Does he work for the Kronos group?
No, he has not worked for them, but like he worked for Quantic Dream, which is a company. That
Oh,
made, like,
really?
Detroit Become Human. Yeah, he did like an internship there for a while, and I mean, he would have stayed there if he didn't like start doing the masters. He's doing his masters right now, but
That's cool.
he was like he
Yeah.
actually worked. They're making like a Star Wars game, and he was working like the ray tracing stuff for that game. I have no idea. Like, I mean, he explained parts of it to me, and I did not get it. I guess it's like advanced, but yeah, really skilled guy.
Dude, I like do not
Oh.
understand how people are able to get like hired in those positions.
I mean, what he told me is like, I mean, first, having a degree is really good to just get past the HR filter, because like HR oftentimes will just throw your portfolio away because you don't have a degree. But as soon as you can get in touch with like engineers and you know your stuff, like they'll ask you questions, right? And what they really want to know is like, are you the guy for the job? Like, are you someone who could do this thing? And if you don't know exactly what we need you to know, well, do you have enough like potential to like learn what you're missing? And they can figure that out just like asking you a bunch of questions. Like my friend, for example, he showed up at AutoCAD, and they asked him about like matrices and stuff, right? About like rotation matrices and characteristics, how they worked, and various other things.
I would
right?
fail.
Yeah.
And he answered them, and like some of the answers he got wrong, but they kind of like guided him towards an answer. Because like that's the thing with engineers, like they want to kind of see your thought process too. So if you get things wrong, they want to see if you can actually like just talk it out.
I was thinking about doing my own
find a way.
math library instead of GLM because that would like, cause I have no clue how matrices work.
Yeah.
Matrices, transformations, rotations.
Yeah, no, it's interesting. Although, like, if you want to make it fast, that's the thing. GLM probably uses SIMD internally.
Yeah.
If you want to make it as fast as GLM, it's going to be a lot of work. But just the basics of it, if you just want it to work, period, you can get pretty
Yeah.
far. Just doing it yourself.
I feel like if you wanted to do that, you should probably like just do like a blank project just for experimenting with that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't
it's
wanna
like
mess
it's
up
kind
my
of a rabbit hole. Like learning to like use because learning SIMD how to use it is one thing, but learning to use it effectively. For example, if you're doing like a math library, is probably like a lot of work. I would imagine. I never like, I didn't finish that. I actually started doing that, and then I was like, whatever. I'm just gonna use like DirectX Math for everything. And I mean, DirectX Math is just like evil GLM.
What does that mean?
Um,
Evil GLM.
Well, it's like GLM but for DirectX.
Or do you just love like compiling to Windows computers?
I mean, yeah, because I'm running because Windows. I mean, Windows is like most of the. This is like sad to say, but like Windows is most of the PC gaming market, anyways.
Yeah, I mean, like if you could get
70%.
like doesn't
And-
Valve like has Proton and stuff, right?
Like I see you're using there's Proton now. So I guess like at some point it might be that compiling on Windows just means it's gonna work on Linux if Valve does their thing. I see you're using like VS Studio, so like
Yeah.
it's like Windows actually has pretty good like for debugging. It's actually pretty decent on Windows. Like VS Studio has its problems, but it works. I use a different debugger. I use some like the bespoke debugger made by some like European guy. I don't know if he's like Estonian or something, one of those countries. But like it runs using Visual Studio files, and I wouldn't work on Linux. Like I would not develop on Linux because I just wouldn't have a good debugger. Like GDB
Yeah.
exists, but it's just there's like no like good like there's no good tools that use it that are like as convenient.
You think proprietary will always be better?
No.
Oh no, you get
There
the
we go.
lighting. Yo.
Not back to where I am because
Wait,
then I
what
just went
happened?
on that.
Why is it like dark? No,
Like, I don't know.
Oh, okay. I know why I didn't
He
see
knows.
G's map.
he needs to stream this. I'm like not doing anything right. I have to like
They're just like talking. But talking is good though.
I have to.
I like. It's nice meeting people that are
Yeah.
into this that are not like super advanced because then, when I'm with really advanced people, I have nothing to talk about.
That's how.
I just feel really dumb. Although like it seems like Brett is miles ahead, so. But that's fine.
I'm a little bit more advanced than elliptical.
Dude, he's 15. You know that, right?
What?
I'm not more advanced than Corey.
He's
Okay, so it does
15.
work.
The guy is not 15.
He is.
To be fair, one of my colleagues was not even 18, and he was a Russian guy, and he was a Russian guy, and he handled the entire back end of the startup. Not the entire thing, but like a big chunk. He was doing back end work for us, and like he would tell these insane stories. Like what he used to do. I don't know if I should like repeat this actually, but he was doing some like hacking stuff, like actual hacking stuff, and like he showed us like proof, like he was not lying. And he was like, the guy was like really young too. Like some people are nuts. I mean, if my parents bought me
White
like
hat or
a,
black hat?
black hat.
Acted
I tried to get into.
I mean, it was like it was more like just having fun, right? Like he was messing. Like, he worked on like cracked clients. He made like his own cracked clients for like games. He found a way to like get admin on like pirated Counter-Strike source servers because of course, you know, it's like a lot of
Counter-Strike Source, and he wasn't 18.
Yeah.
Why was he playing Source?
It's because it's Russia.
Oh.
Counter-Strike Source is like really popular in Russia, but a lot of them have it pirated. So they have servers that they don't check for IDs on the Steam like servers. But there's a thing for like generating the ID, so you can't just like steal someone's ID and get admin, right? But he found a way to like reverse engineer the mechanism for that, and found a way to just like just generate IDs that would be the same as the admins, and just get admin on random servers. And then he would like go in and did it on the like Discord. He was like streaming it. Would go in, would like change their gravity, and mess with people.
You should like crash them and stuff, like remote code execution.
Well, there's a limit to like what you can do with just admin access on a source game, but like he was just having fun. One thing that the craziest thing he explained. What?
Carry on.
The craziest thing he did was he told us about is he did this with a friend. He wasn't entirely on his own, but like I forgot what game this was. This was some like game that was popular with streamers at that point. Might have been like Valorant or something, or Apex. I don't know. But this was like years ago, so I might get it completely wrong. But he found an exploit by just like thinking it through and testing, sending requests to servers and seeing what happened. He reverse engineered like how one of their systems. I forgot what it was. He explained it in detail, but I forgot. It's been like 4 years. But he found a way to like send corrupted party requests to people, and it would crash their game. He did this to streamers while they were streaming on Twitch. It would just like crash their games. And I forgot how he did it. I forgot the explanation, but he had like a really detailed explanation for it. So I believed him. So, but that guy was like one of the coolest guy I met at my job. But I mean, I haven't talked to him in like years now. But that guy was. Anyways, it's a whole like thing. But you meet some like interesting people. I think he was like. I mean, he was Russian, but he actually lived in Russia. He lived like in
Nashville, Tennessee.
Scandinavia or something.
Oh.
And it's Scandinavia or something. Nashville, isn't that like the guy who owned the Soyjack party? Never mind. You don't need to know what that is.
What was that noise I just heard?
There's someone doxing you.
I would kill that.
Anyways. I'm just yapping. No, but like I'm 22. I'm old. I'm an old
22.
man.
I'm 20.
Well,
Why is it like
youngster.
sRGB? Oh, different.
20. You're like a baby, dude. You're like,
A 2-year difference is crazy.
you're like a, you know, you just came out of the vat.
Okay, then what is he then? Because he's 15.
15. I don't know, like
Fetus.
a time traveler.
Dude, you know he made Holbrook Hotel at 14. I'm sorry, like you don't get that yet. I'll catch you. It's like he put on the thing that he was 14, and everyone that played the game on YouTube was like, a 14-year-old made this game. They like paused like for like 2 seconds, like baffled at the camera.
I mean, if you start really early, like to do something. I mean, if my parents, I mean, I can't blame them for everything, but if they bought me a, you know, bought me KNR or something. 12. I probably would have. By 15, I would probably be doing something cool.
Yeah, I was like stuck in scratch hell for like 4 years because I did not know how to move on because all the tutorials didn't make any sense to me until like I like bought a Udemy course. I hate to admit that.
Well, this the thing is the problem is like
I think
finding
I did too.
finding good
That's
information online is a pain. Like there's so much information for like programming and like programming video games, but like so much of it is just noise.
It's like if I was gonna learn
really hard to
again
find
from
good stuff.
scratch, I would know how to do it. But
Like honestly, I can't blame you. It's like, okay, well, if I paid for this, it's probably good.
Like-
right? Like if they're selling it, it's got to be good.
That work? Oh my god.
that would have been like a lot easier if I like had like a mentor or something, or I guess like was in school for it.
Yeah, well, I didn't have that either.
Yeah.
Like I was the only person I knew that programmed at all. So
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna be honest. Elliptical has been my mentor. Like I would probably would not have been. I probably would have stopped at like the game jam that I met him on. if
That's
I,
The
mean.
game you would have gave up at the game jam?
yeah, I probably would have.
Bro, he was like, we were like new to GitHub and we were doing this like game in Unity and we kept back and forth overwriting each other's like commits for like the player
funny.
controller. Cause,
Man, why?
Cause like he was doing it wrong.
Okay.
Yeah.
And
I was 12.
Red-
I was 12.
okay.
You said you're 13.
Yeah, it's like
I don't-
when you
yeah, but,
start. I mean, at one point, like, man, I'm an asshole. Like, at one point, some guy like sent me like a game he made that was like, it was like a little car racing game. It was actually really cool. It's cooler than anything I've ever made.
And,
But
and
when
you're
I was
like,
trying it out,
man, I can
I
be
was-
better than this.
I was playing with the controls, right? I was like turning left to right repeatedly, and it was like sticking. You know when like you press one button, then you press the other one, then
Yeah.
you release the button, and then like it doesn't. Then you have a button. You have your finger on one of the buttons, but your car is not doing anything, right?
Uh-huh.
Because of the way you like switch between the sides. And I was like, man, like. And I told him like, yeah, this is broken. You want me to fix it?
Yeah.
And I never fixed it because I could not understand like how this code worked. Like it was kind of like spread out in a weird way. And I was like, okay, where's the logic for this? I found the logic, but like it was made in such a way that was like to change it, I would have had to like either like add like really disgusting thing over it or like tear up the whole thing and do it again.
Yeah.
But I just didn't end up doing it. So, but no, it's like I mean, I mean, it forced me to like figure out how I would do this though. It's like, okay, well, now I have a good system for that, but.
Learning exercise.
Yeah, it's a nice exercise. There's like a lot of nice little exercises like, oh, I need to look through a file and I want to do this fast. And it's okay. You know, it's just like basic like programming logic that you learn. It's just doing small things. Or the other day, I mean, yesterday I was trying to write an XML file parser for no good reason. And I mean, all I really did was just a thing that reads like the tags and marks them in memory. So, which it could be useful for later, but.
Dude, that's
you know,
like,
it's-
that's pretty cool.
That's like really simple. It's like it's just simple logic. It's just you travel through a file and you look at the symbols and you try to handle UTF-8 along the way.
Yeah, I would not be able to
Oh.
do that because that would make me like want to like cry. Cause we...
Yeah, it's kind of it gets like kind of convoluted and it's like there's I'm like the whole way I'm writing it and it's like I know there's a better way to do this, but I don't want to look it up